Odofo mema akwaba edeba Adom TV. Dwumadi we ye nkranhyensem emre adwumadi. Na me ameti dwamu amedi dwumadi ho chiame oni medin dada Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego. Utwale tiawa na Nita Kotego ameje oso. Ya na medwene nia Awurade ayo. Na doye ne papayo ne humobro ne enkwa ode ache mekwa. Sese mede mekra nyina eyi Nyankopon aye. Ma we susu nya opabo na dai se wode wo kra onipadua na osunsum ebeda Nyankopon ase. Ne na ase ekura me no mienu a na meda wo susu ase se wode wa fidi ato a. Ene nyame no be kan mato ne din the factory of life. The factory. Ye ka factory a unyina mu nim dada baby a emfidie sisi ya yetimi eye nioma mefa nse watch ye bomi your watch factory mefa nse shirt ehye mi obi a designer or on the factory lens ehye mi say there are factories that are producing things minim baby out here be a TV a wo hwe factory bi na yo but what dwene wan say one mo factory. All of us have a kind of manufacturing factory in our lives. Make a dem say factory be here. Factory wo you manufacture your life and your dreams through what you put on your mind. You manufacture what you get in life, your dreams and your desires from your mind. Your mind is a factory. What dwene eye baby a ususu nioma ho ehye nioma na enema ebemu emamo. Your life today, your life tomorrow, your life in the future, and even your life in the past are all products of your mind. Here, adwin bia wo badwene nya wo dwene nura ene one de abadwene ne ene wo kina enti wa brabo a wo boye nkohwe benkum hwe ni fanhwe bonsam emfo osoro onyame de wo pe amaw ni ehia ne se bakase papa ma wo pe me gina ma brabo so na pe me gina ma adwene pronso na mentimi ntua na muntu a ewo adwin papam se de tie bia no wa brabo no ni susuanso enyina so ene adwene a wo dwene. Life is not promised to be easy. Abrabo enye better. Marriage is filled with conflicts. Our dear we intawantawa wumu. Learning calls for sacrifices. Simple school and jayo. Working also calls for abiding by ethics and policies. Adwuma we obaya adwuma no atumpon a ye won hihhes de bi esa wodi so. Enti abrabo aye bo bi aniwa eye totin a eda ho said am na mafoka no falasa. Minti saka sada o said da ho fala da bi abrabo aye bo no emre bi wo a ebo ba adine abrabo aye bo no emu ba ya anyonyono. But what will carry you through life is the kind of mindset you maintain in difficult times. Indeed, it is not easy to stay positive when you have lost your job. No kre enya ade abagro anase easy. Say menya adwuma ya wo say menwi positively. Say ma wari atete apansam wo say me de menwi adwempa. Say empo me nisika wo so menwi adwempa. When my marriage is threatened, how can I take positively? Yes, life can be good and happy, and life can be bad and sad. The secret of a good life, the secret of a happy life starts in the mind. The hinta semwa edi yedie ba. Hinta semwa ema wawade mu yede. Hinta semwa ma wadwuma utimi eni yie na ekoyie na onya abasobode. Hinta semwa ebema wade sua akototin. Abraba wo boyi wa hinta sem ene adwene a wota adwene. Your thoughts and your attitude. When positive attitude and thoughts play a major role in what you get in life. Adwene pa obadwene ni emfoni abetwa gu wadwene proso ene ensem abeka kire ho a obi ni ho otimu ono eno ene bama abrabo akoyie ana abrabo ate. Yes, it is not easy to maintain a positive attitude all the time. Enya meresa se woni be mate na onfa empo enidie ma wo na otete wo ena woni obate na ono so mfa ni die ma wo na ono so etwifa so ya na e bed ni se beka se badwadwen papa. But samre no a ekosa no ena esese wodwan pa It is in our moments of difficulties, it's in our moments of challenges, it's in our moments of frustrations that we need to gather the courage and control what is happening around us by thinking positively. Negative thinking creates disasters. Negative thinking creates anger. Negative thinking creates sadness and worry. So one you know now susuye nyina ye susuye sabe ya bo mfie susuye a show so and susuye wo adwen pro so na menya na meye no menya na meka no we onsem fata sa adwene no a wo dwene no ebe ma bufuo oyewudie ni empo awerɛwo ahyɛ wo krama enti ya na wahwɛ nneoma a wo dwene ho na ɛhɔ na ɛyɛ wo factory a wo di produce nneoma. Positive thinking is important in difficult moments. Make a was sorry as a brabon koye. Make a was sorry as a bibia basa. Nite ko se dwadwene ane. Semre mu wona ese dwadwene pa obeka ya. Maami bia na me kire wo se na moja etu no emfie dumienu. Ya na odno ho tete me de me nsem fata me ko nipa mu e be sere me ho kankan e be pamo me na adwen odwen no e na aka na hye. Na dakuru bi ene wote se aginkwan namba bi o se na de he se e be ka se me ho bon se moja ne begu fom se de metene me nsa ho hadwen pa metene me nsa a kire krachi so na me ho beto me. When she talked positively, she ended her problems. Odwina adwen pa no o tene ne nsa no aginkwan ka kire se tumi bi afimi mu ene o se wo gidie ene age wonkwa gidie nyina so ene adwina wodwene enti wo mra ye mu no wo bre mu no manwira dwemfi ena waye miye ena abrabo ye o ena we de me ko ne san ye o ena ohia ye o ena me adwuma mebre o saa dwen no na meka wa hya kosi mra webre empo mrayomu ena adwadwen mpa. If you let your thoughts become negative, you let despair pervade your mind. Despair matoba matosi enye, and this will not help you in any way. When you face problems, obstacles and losses, you may feel that you cannot do anything about it. It's a lie. So how na bebrese betowa ya na ese wontimi nya ho hwe didi ka betimi ane se obekọ adwen mu no adwen adwene pa susuye papa na ekenya awo na hye onkran no wetwa na montuo abusuya aha na medu besie ene day bi sa on sa adwene be na medwene adwene na medwene na be kam yakomanim adwene na medwene be hye me nkran adwene be medwene be mama kakasapa adwene na medwene be kenya me mama ya ne papa adwene a wodwene na wuhia wadwene ene baabia abrabon susuye ene ne sunsanso efire entine de meja ha me ka se dwadwene pa nyatenka pa eto na montuo papa mama me na emrante yase eye Enoch cameraman na me na Frank sound na me na MC afuase me na lighting ena floor manager samu Adom TV na efe me na me producer Randolph ena eja webekampadu me da mo nyina ase onyame nhira mu nyinara wo a onyame hwe me de nyame ka kire wo ne se woni onyame entina ana meja wo
Badwam sedie de reso no nkase bomeda se uguswa Adom TV ne nsam ne do so pa do betie no so kahye bi ene se wodom aton ka ho pempena de Spare Parts Dealers Association ne futu akwa mo se African Free Continental Trade Area se dwade ho hyehye no wonhwe na wonya so emfaso sanso na beto dwa se apomodin si achi ba no se koyese aban no brano wotu sika ma yaresa bia hodo no ebe ma ne ye no atumi agina brane na dwumakoya pa wo mamu si wonhwe nyina mahoden ho nsem so Electricity Company of Ghana chemu a wo mo gina fa konso wo gigi sika ne ka no manfo de no wajimu ebrofa we ne nsem ahodo bi nam de so mo se bedwam so kase de mo live on DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 wo share me afrem anochi wa ba adwase wa finche mo no me de to so amount Trefo ede ema aboso kan Spare Parts Dealers Association and as a dealers no metre wo mo tonto ka ho mpempena de no gifty na nafia no no de ade hwede ne kokobon nsem akwa ma wo mo tonto ka ho mpempena de no wo mo a ewo kuo ni mu nyina se wo srada African Free Continental Trade Area no a empedifo ahwe na wo mo ade abebo adze se behwe na ma bibre ma man ni nyina adwade ho nsem akọwano wano no wo mo eto ka ho mpempena de no wo hu ne se we ya akwanya ma beda hodoma ma wo mo na woni so mfa so.
Aboso kan spare parts dealers sise wanyan kranhye bi se ode won ho ebehya Africa Continental Free Trade Area dwumedi aban ede ba ye no emu se be ye a wadwuma ne betimi akonanim hwehwefo panyine ya woda aboso kan spare parts dealers ano eye gift na anafia no na wo kyeremu a se dwadifo ede won ho ehye AFCTA enimu a ebeboa amoatere wadwuma ne mu akwachire wode sansemu etudwo wabra wo pampanimfo a wo mu ene ebeda ekoyi ano.
After Badwam, nti me bomodi ase me bo adwatifo no biade na ni akire after ebeboa pa medikan pa ya de medikan me nema ba ya ebeboa ama African countries ye di ye dwa na ye mpuntu akoyanim after ba beboa ye o say after say ubeto bibia fi any African country now di kwa especially say eba ye kromo ha you have a reduced duty and only a better so amount na into ebeye kakra because say be do 10 years e be do 10 years no na akodu 0 until after e baso be boy to bia fa na ni after
and wachi ene titere ne awode koya no Henry Ochre ekre say e wo sensa kraye eba aboso kanfo edwa a wo mu edie no emu
your challenges bebre ho amaba no be se me hwe na me ne mpanyifo executives Council of Elders mpanyifo nyina atrase ne toto adwen na aboso kan koso ene hiaye ene dwedifo empuntu na enunti botan wo meni so no so me pese me boa especially youth ne so na aboso kan CC BCC hama high efe obi aba na abe krabehwe
yen free dwade ne enko apomode mu nsemu sabe apomode hu nsem begina brane wo mayi mu enti no ena panyina wono no da Christian Health Association of Ghana no Dr. Peter Kwame Yeboa wodi ade hwede mu oden ato adwumekwa ya passport apomode nsi achiba no eso National Health Insurance Authority no sese kobase obi ade ye wono mu krata ne bi ekwa yaresabia ya na sade yaresabia no hwe no ma ne nnuro no saba ne ma ho ye ha na se bo no otua no wano bebra ama ye National Health Insurance Scheme no etumi agina brand nti ye kanwa ya na hyemu che no wonhwe na wonyimfiri se be ye adwuma na wo ye no bekoyi
National Health Insurance Scheme say nkwanchen adefe eno ani sika health insurance scheme bon ho modern nemom ensipe ahokyere kakra ewo ho omu pem so nemom danka de be pepa ne se bosumi bia ye adwuma na nanka yatua ye ka enya bi di atoduru ye bi aye niema ahayarefo nso so emanesa ti ye bompa ye se free na ekro ya aban betimi asiesie ne ho yi na apomdene de ugya ate ho anya yi man be yi anu ani apomdene na moa bi a o se ye de boa National Health Insurance Authority no aban de abo na sabi aban de omu how ene omu hia aye sononko donation number 1 priority so da be ye beboa na National Health Insurance Authority no wotimi aye na dwuma a ehia se National Health Insurance Authority etimi twia ayarsabia for kantema ne yeso ebetimi anya hoden anya duro anya mpempranane ahwe ayarefo na sa amane sa na dia hokyere abreye sabi ahokyere so ba e dia ni bre na eba enti eno an ebeka be busumi be nsiani eka kakra wo ho insurance scheme eno a ene kurokura apomdene ensu ayeso aba abon ho modern na mom se ebetum pon a ebesre ontria National Health Insurance Authority for kantem no muso munya hoden entry e cabin
ejimekwa ya power so hwe ye nyina mahode ho nsem so Electricity Company of Ghana na say no de betu dwa se amanfo ne ejimekwa hodo bi di wo muka 5.7 billion na wo mo betie simonte so no kwa akwajeje wo no sika na wakeka wo muka kwa na betu dwa se sika 5.7 billion no emu 3.1 billion de wo no ensa ka no panyina wo no era wo ye managing director Samuel Dubik Mahama na wo kire se wo mo a sika ne bi da so hye wo nto no wo de hye ya wodo agu akwa mu hwe kwane obefa so atua ne kakra na aban sika wo pede abo man ne ho bra no wonsa bekene nyina
Sisia no say aka be 1 point something billion. I wa about here was say beji. Make 1 point something because exercise no could see February. It is here bills ni be asa there asaba. Until was say asa the EGG. Ya dream no, you best start month ending be you best a revenue mobilization exercise. Now month ending you be yes so you best know your customer because you best GG be details near their building your database no. And no kodan chain no ECG you decide say every and echo no you be a friend of loss reduction program. Loss reduction program no as I say meter companies, local meter companies, no boy or more manufacturer. Ama yenya meter amobia. Tiabe mia ni ni omo ayejuma na yenya meter so amobia.
Wasanso edi tudwa se ne be ya womanfo kwiti kwan a womo efa so edi twen kane a ebe braase no womo de nhihye bi egu akwan mu a sese womo ebe hwe se meter womanfo edi dijuma no womo be hwe so etua.
Me pese obi ati asese prepaid meter ye ready prepaid meter. Enti ma won nya onwanwa se obi beba ofie beka se oba be ready o prepaid meter. If you say ye ready meter na ye betimi yehu o consumption. Enti mesre every eneko ye billing system no a ready prepaid meter so. Enti so obi ba ofie so be ready prepaid meter. Mpacho manokwan.
Yemfiri ho na yenko ni mana emeburu bi oho kyeremu a ni mana wasade empadifo yi wani efiri ho wato ehormo mpuntuo no ajeje mu na wo muso ka Ghana ho bi ti ho akohia se wo mama mpadifo hu no se wani abrepa mpudwuma no waye kwado wo twa ebie no nti wo mo ate wo ho agumonten so de kojan ebi abo nti de bi abo wonsa ya wo no maye ye kyere ya bo kyere se ayawaso ismensi no assembly no wo ma no eye na wo twa mako nan wo hawo ekoso woni ma no wonhwe no nso ado
Nima Road at the Nache. So when you look various areas like Newtown, Mamobi, all the roads have been fixed except Nima. Why?
Your co-election on almost starting. Share other constituency almost starting. Yes, astroturf. You we are honum omubo ball. You are still now ahanu. Omaja nusa say ahanu asabi. Aden so who say your president wa Nima, your vice wa Nima. Yen hu aden womu kaya na
obia sorry aka say ye baba ye buntu juma bi ama nimafo enu nti na ye si debi adu time say nimafo ye nyina ye sorry oba emma ye nyina ye sorry ne ye nkasa
back we ni ebe ya eche kura 6 months to 8 months and him say yen we but we are getting to almost 3 years yen we back we enti emma ye problem.
Enwechi enapenimpa wode kroya no Alhaji Masud Maga editu jase wo ma assembly empenimfo na wotwe nan na nsachiraye emra wo mu akwantempon so ene dwumadi ahodo a wo yenu enye sade a obeto a wo ye kire no eso.
And they've seen how deplorable the condition of Nima is. Sanitation is very poor. Not to talk of the roads. The roads, not even cycles. We urge everyone who is concerned about Nima to please come to our aid.
Oni nyina mu no mansiri krachi Haji Salma Adam eje won krata no che won bose obedi hu dwuma e de ma wo mo.
In terms of developmental projects, we have worked in so many areas. We have evidence, we have achievement book. They created this assembly. Also want Nima roads to be fixed before 2024, before I finish my work. And inshallah, the government will fix our roads very soon.
Yemfiri ni mane yenkokpon kataban so yekwa kogire mo gbechele no manfo bi omo ho no mo se ayaresa bi won potem ho no chip compound ketewa bi ne wo ho se de kuro no tira na etete no ama nipa na bunka ma fasa ayaresa bi no so esoma wonom na wo mo ogidie se company fo kra no wo mo ahya ayaresa bi ase wo ho no mo a na nko bubu sesi asa brede wo se company fo wi na etima so mo manfo wo ho so besi ne wo mo aso na jeje mo so obi yade a ti tema na asa shama no de ko na nipa pi ho no mo a wanam kwaso kra won kodura resabia wonti wo srem penifo se sa ya resabia na wo si a wogya ne hono mo no o metwa so ne nso mo.
So it's very bad. Looking at the area, we don't have any government facility. Yeah, any facility bia has a bia ni ha obi se be area e de be ko. Now from here to Ashawa na Temano, e far. If you go private, wow economy e wo mu na say ha. Nima boy di.
Have people here who travel all the way from this place. The road is very bad, to be sincere with you. this place to work in Ashaiman, Tema, Accra, and no. Why? And pregnant women, the road is bad for them. They cannot. The pain. Imagine living in this remote area, Bechile, Soldier Lane, and then traveling all the way when you are in labor, traveling all the way from here to Ashaiman Polyclinic to Tema General for delivery or something. It's so bad. In fact, the person may lose their life on the way. The traffic alone don't say it.
Abdul Rahim Yahaya Eye, Assemblyman, Ewo Bechele electoral area. What did you just say? On one cassette to Anamon, Sebeya, Saya Resabia. Osha sisi ya wonto aso no obetumi ababisi ama wono nanso onyamwaye papa bia nanso ni nyina mu no obekoso atu ho anamon kosise empanufo ba beto aso ama
facility na yesi no etimi complete etimi ka said be ya ntwa kwan tintin se ye kwatama e kwa assess healthcare enti yansa eda yansa yem ayem
Ghana phobia no sika Eda Gold Coast Fund Management ya sa sika krabia no egu no wo mo aye ye no de kokopie mu e Security and Exchange Commission no wo kire se o mu ogidie pass o mu sika ne honom e na akoka ya mpanifo atena so na wa bra o mo ye kire ni nyina awie ye no e no panyina wo no e na wakasa na se wodi eku akasa ma Security and Exchange Commission no enim Godwin ansa de nsam otudwa no wo kire se so obi gina baabi e kasa ye wo mo sika da Gold Coast Fund Management aba be share Security and Exchange Commission for to a enya no kre sika bia ni wonom aka kire se de o manfo adwene ye wonom.
I've heard about the allegations about 5.5 million, which was approved by Parliament in 2021 for Black Shield customers. And I believe that our response has been very unequivocal and very clear in terms of who these monies were from. First and foremost, we wish to state that SEC doesn't hold on to any monies. We are not the agent in charge of managing the funds. Now, out of the 5.5 billion cedis that was approved for by Parliament for this purpose, it's important to note that it was for all affected investors of all 47 fund management companies and not just for Black Shield customers only. So far, the update we received from the agent is that 4.6 billion has so far been disbursed by the government of Ghana.
Abra Gold Coast Fund Management customers ede womo petition ye nkrata ede ma Security and Exchange Commission no ewie no openi ono ene de customers ni ensem etudwa no Charles Nyame ede tudwa se
wa ma yati ase se o ma so petition ni mu na o mu hu ni se ya de hiade na anamo bi ese so mu tu fa ho enmanim ya ye bisa de no o betumi ede amaye no o betu sa anamo no
na chese ye chiri ene ehomwaye so na ye gina na akase ye dinka na dopai e wa Adom TV so bedwam so ye di nyina esi de do so de be share stories ahodo egu online portal ne so ye be bo so ama na ye wakono na atwen no wako na wakwakan anya munchemu ye sanso e na kwasinsia ye krado ene be ma 10 gram woron so abaya de obonkrata ahodo aba no pai no ni nyina ekita na ye bebubo eso ama wo kwasi kwa ba
ajo mejo so bako de
yankopon bususu
ya de yame ase ye me hu nyina so afihia pa ebiem de bi ase ade achi a ya fimwa yes se wa antias ye hu ni sa wo enjoy day no enti na manage a hostess adwuma ho no anytime bi on beland bia no they celebrate as if it's their last day because of adwuma na omo no eti de bia de be chi bia da Nyankopon asiwi a manyame hu sampa wo yusu da no da ode afem ode adom mo tie me ye nye saa edenim so bia ho ye de echia obi bia nso chia Asante Mampo hene da sebre osebo nso ya otoso bienu akora onkwaso esre nyinche ya hoden ewom Mamponfo eni so ne wo ye ede maye yakoso sra nam se ontutu anamo enfensiye na adwempa o ma Asante Mampo no enwie peyo enfamaye ono hema nana amaja kuma difie ya otoso bienu nana ima esumbu mwase echia one anope ajua na ma story bi wo the Chronicle yes me enfele ye ka ma ne nsibem
ta dia ye kogina ho ese fele ma ye ne sa
we NPA National Petroleum Authority to Safon
so mo se
en ko filling station ko kasa mo fele mo car enfama me Sa bem they say hydrin.
Sa.
Yes.
They say okwa be at me pay 40 liters.
At least obetimi atobe say a little bit above 3/4.
Okay.
So, say
make a for 50 liters.
To bet me atobe 40-45. I just we crom dey buy with okofelo gas cylinders.
Sa fe na fe ma dey maten.
Wutu sa for no say no so no. Me en fele so ma na nye 10.
That na bisa say wokwa ya trogu 14 kg.
Yeah.
Me cylinder yi 14 kg. 14 ya trogu down say 195.
Okay.
But ubusa say me fele say ya. O si 230.
Yes.
And then busa say na je na wa tro say 14 ye 195. Na dey na afa me fele ya 230 o ten no na e maten. Na so okay.
Tie no mpanifo se enye. Enye. Eni je say nyame Adom filling stations ebu Ghana miamia wodo bebre. At least utimi so dey 50 liters now utimi fele be say 45. Who drive do baby na swatia
wo bubi
kakra bu see so ba fele ni tan wakonya asebe okwan mu de
se bi okra na boko na ye wo so car no taxi drivers no bi say wo so na petrol ebi bogu ba
bro ni no ye the car no wa ye say ye bogu tank ni straight
na wo se kwabra na de chichi no wo so car yi wo se
so wo so na e che
ebi ko se che
Eti
Yehowa
MPF na etu sa for no say
ya fa futu
ya hwesa futu no eyi ebe hayen na ka me pe baby a store no na ka me ready baby kakra am ya ti asie pa se ne NPF measure se ne NPF ebo amane no NPF raises alarm, don't fill your fuel tanks to the brim. Don't fill it to the brim. We nye Wisconsin ebe boa abonkwa wo japade ho ban asem ne moka.
Okay.
Don't fill your fuel tanks to the brim. And yes, Wisconsin. One pine.
You see, I was a son in number you.
Yes.
No, what catino. Na say, I feel a Matthias here to the beer. Maybe tank is a budu baby and what me cut it.
Okay.
Tia Katia, Miss Obi Bacoso.
Yeah,
watch here, P. Say, one side, you was about to crack. That's a cat, Miss Obi Bacoso. Because many are cast a one failing, and means me betray this amount.
Yes.
Until New Year. Yes, I am answers on the day.
I am only Brina Super Jones and Jones. And I'm actually so good.
Imagine where we are not bear 20 cities. Wouldn't you guys from my media say, oh, me a bush, me a bush side by ever. The
National Petroleum Authority has cautioned fuel retail outlets and motorists against using ramps to aid the pumping of fuel into vehicles. It said tightening vehicles on ramps to fill them to the brim could damage fuel tanks and lead to explosion and destruction of vehicles and lives. It is simple. Someone on the top our first paragraph no. It will fill him and nebro so.
It mikra peja.
It be peja.
Explosion.
Ebe say fuel tanks. Ebe say ojapade ekum
nipa. Because I be no driver and with him car ni wo. Ebi kura na passenger fo wo ma na say the wo filling ogina nchen. Wa wo nkwan so so wo.
It is say wo nyes kasem asem. There be no mo kenye me wo ska mo ska. Eye futu om de maya o sie som. Na de boy ye ho ebai. And I'm saying no mine here can. So do we say Udu fuel station? Dumo engine.
Yes.
Men ye call.
No phone calls.
But Ubeko no fuel attendant no. Any phone calls no any ebu.
Na phone taranaso.
Phone taranaso.
Na beginning na because we use some telephone bi. No more telephone akese bi na we use. Na me feel say no no de. Entumi empeja na say dey say ye de ye bi na omo susu kutekuta. Be ko na hands free na so no kasa na obu ma.
Ye ko enim ko say NPA. Say a more dangerous to us say Udu fuel station that's all you call. Na ebe cause damage. I will say making sure say filling stations not all mobile stopper. Say there be a Udu network ebe cut.
Yes, you know say necessary.
I remember say Barack Hussein Obama bag Ghana way back in 2009. A 337 ebe sne twemako TV3. Be be no na Udura. Unya network. Because of security.
Yes.
See, if you say Ghana for your swire ding to that extent, and your call, not a chinchina, what now be your call. Now be quack of some one who cried your car. Oh, now, but be for swap back, you're 1 year call. And Yajitawa, Omuna account. So who be here say Dr. Mustafa Hamid, Yebema filling stations, fuel stations, no, automobile stopper to stop Saudi way ya, Yamomo enter.
So when you wura hwa na wo network nyina ate call no
receive call
is OP
ni emergency call so we move for anwia wontimi nye
10 minutes and
10 minutes
it's like 2-3 minutes
na the portion na akoto ofuo enu 10 minutes ye de tue mu atotototototo
except so was slow tank
yes I tell them I mean chronicle into a super queen dismissed police military officers arrested for dressing in uniforms to rob bank customers using tasers and handcuffs. Dismissed police military officers arrested. A police funny a soldier for ya pam more free adwumanim. Enene omode uniform no ekokronobo.
Ade pam omaya omonye uniform no.
Ene ya samfo.
Eya omonye handcuff no.
Ene ya samfo.
Because binim se meti hei, nyame masa ama ba kwasitwum se me nkora.
Wa kraka so okwa.
Okra ID card, ene akande bi a company ne de ma we e ma wo. E dance say.
Yes.
Wo ye multimedia djuma ye ni no. Wa wo furu HR Green Building.
Na dia komando.
No wa report to.
Me ne mo wie.
Ni ahwe nkrata mu ahwese ye ma laptop, ye ma phone, ye ma ne ma bi se fa ye adwuma. E was so done by nti na clearance form e ma wo de call run call department bi akosane ya clear wo
clear on say woni bibia adwuma bibia
no ho nti suppose ni soja ni ye na different adwuma mu a entade no mu di kofie omo de handcuff ni kofie ana omo ane koto ya na omo ane pam ye
uniform ni handcuff ni kwa de handcuff plus ye nton ni dwom nton handcuff dwom ko me hu bu akra moda na me hu bi so makola nso da
e bia na yo bebi eton ye ni hu ye.
Okay, I did it. So, vote for Sam George and Co. Formerly's anti-gay group. It won a tier LGBTQ. So I shall say a campaign. The MPs no more fighting for LGBTQ plus new bill. No. To also say into about Famasa MPs. No matter what Omojuma. And so MP did account was that so the Chronicle and the Daily Guide and so in Opim so Asanteman the only king here what. Ghana your man invite set ya the King Charles AC akonya so to omrebi ahimfo wo Ghana nyina no nko an ye to your man krata
opem so asem na
yes
otumfo se to ababi
otumfo se to ababi
asante mawura
ono nko a ahimfo twotwo ro free tifri ba na afo ono nko a na ohina Ghana ha King Charles atena ye sheda twre krata
obi aboa
yensa onu aso na fa no sign so
yes
no so no ire Lady Julia
ombrai
me hiam wo ha
me ye srem ye
to safrem na nu so opim so koduru ye na hwe sene ye kofa no free airport ye ne call back yam na King Charles be hia no
kenefe
na efe akono keke eto opim so akwakoduru so otumfo Lady Julia meet King Charles. Reckless populism on cathedral will fail. Special prosecutor invites Frimpong Boateng. We have clarified Akufo-Addo gold mafia story. Al Jazeera. A focus accomplice appeals death sentence. Aisha Juan convicted. Daily Guide. Adrian online.
Yes, AdomOnline.com. Parliament did not unanimously approve new loan. But
Parliament are passing. Anyway, news.
OSP say Office of the Special Prosecutor we waboso from Paul Boateng was say Galamsey report na we inviting the Swomra. Ghanaians eat thrice daily despite on the didi miensa onya abota Alote Jacobs. I say Ghana for the say miensa.
I say Ghana for you dim press.
And Escafo credit didi once a day.
Of no dey
of e dey no nya adwen. You say you bought a 010 formation. 010 formation. The breakfast no you need ye twan ye about one ho na na awifufuo preko eno an ye de koda
over boys na mo yes research we no
e dey be amfa of dey nya wotere come again
yes anete
some Ghanaians
they are fine
I got the Ghanaians eat thrice despite economic asa hey e bi kura didi kura
ma pade akufa de kura jam press didi onu ma pade nka sabu
onu ko se why diet what diet once a day
eni brebra and I'm saying that's my Rebecca catcher there ye wodi na fa koda
yeah so when you
e fa de akagu we so mo chairman pedi crowd so e kofom
e kofom
e kofom
e mo ni
o kan na nka na otwe kwawie ye bosumi kwawie se amanfo de mponchi ebrode but na ekofom enti ma Rebecca hwe store on was it abi
onko ese otwa bayira na wokan
ye wodina mi onemu soguso
ye de koda
oda beda
yes
bie nu a
wani ante kwade ekobo ye o onse we onse ojuma de ba ko ediri wo hira obra
yes.
I see the story of a desperate wife married for 6 years but has never seen husband.
Hey.
But what if fiancia? Ohun ni kuneda.
Ni prum abro, ndo wa abrochire no.
Nti no, ubewura mu a, ubehu niam a wo ye ne bebi aduru ne wo prehwe ni kunu no. Na won so wa anya sa mistake no ebi we. Na say here you for the report by say NDC e wo chance. And I look at wasakasa afa. Reacting.
Official reactor. Okay. The Ghanaian publisher Taxi services to go digital like Uber. Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia, fantastic. Yada we yen say ade abuma so na kama. We no ebetimi aboa ma, obetimi atrace obe vice ebesro de yakwa nu nyina so na ke yema trotro no so no e upgrading kakra because you get to a point saying semi jam bibi wo ka mu a metimi akọ driver no straight. Ye nya fe sem kosi obi so obi asem. Etebeboa we poor ya dey say
and no crowd me message also me ja dey waka mu na obi abefro no wafa
yes
but when he ba ho so a also timi nya baby abeja message say ma dey wi akaka mu mu fa entu ye
ma ba poor ya dey nyame nhira digital man Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia US visa fees up from May 30th ya na mu be dey ade empenfo mo nkoma ye
mo se dey
omo visa fee no mba betum mo ji amanfo visa fee na mo amfa visa mo sika so amfa mo Nigeria for it me ya menne ube man half we nya visa na
so we apply it ya visa fee na ya bounce wa we say ma ofa ba ha de
ba Ghana de na foreign affairs minister no offer kra so be ko US ambassador na onko mo ko be
obi ansoma wa kwantu tena Ghana
special force for Boko okay yeah that's it Ghanaian publisher that way by Ghanaian Times and so any Boko violence government set to deploy special task force as national security health tour hotspot. Anti-gay coalition backs 7 MPs to sail through primaries. Revenue mobilization exercise. ECG recovered 3.1 billion Ghana cedis out of 5.7 billion Ghana cedis. A cardamom for the at least more than half. Yes. Yet to locate customers owing 1.53 billion cedis. And Daily Graphic near the area. Stolen identity. Many at risk from SIM card re-registration.
Now what do you watch?
Oh, me adom.
Me numbers.
Me number. And that's all. Check here. And I'm use 2 phones. Me use.
Say kuta. Ubeja ba ko
to be free to tingina.
Bakuna.
Nam bakuna.
Okay.
Asante in the meet King Charles III. Navrongo Central, economic potential blighted by poor roads, Galamsey. Hey. Apostle Nyameche Church of Pentecost again. Okay. Enti na adwa no. So the Ramajola and say, ye weird here.
And ye brain.
Let's say a time so.
Ye brain into your concert that the other was by force landing
30 seconds crank
wo genebre na enanso de on se na efiada ti ahose pebeba
yes
asemi di kan beba agokan se beba songo take oja
eti akode mu nsem eba no hwenim se songo take anopei wa ye krado wa hye fire for fire atare no ajo enko
enti ye dan ye ho aba abusua badwam so di enko ba bia de aka chire ene dos
Kwaba kesi be ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwuma die so dia wo kensi hu sempa esa kana no pensu jaw within the Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekono kwanten kodens mawdo esa kana no pensu bi e wo Ghana agudi 18 ja na kwen federation so mam se nyuma ku makuma ku bes mensa o mawdama o mna ebo machi do me de dwumadi ebrew one expert have always told you that betting there is better than sakawa but more than that bet there catch the busuan phone na for yere ma offer for nananom okunu mo no mpranfo nyina say 1xbet and any bet back wa utwa de befu ubedi ni befu na fe je fast message do itahwe boa say infections na tete gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis why fita na so de poa boa prapro ahraba no bo ma atimi di nkyinche ko eba shops ni mu ana fe pharmaceutical shops mu also pe je fast message no ne do back wa ebetimi agye nkwa na fe sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel fu pampas be pimo na sene doyi ana prapra eboa ema wapomodon sem 8 mesiye okotema osabetia kebashama so nye na ho obetia from 0208219129 na on a sedimo gel and roll on yenhwetwe komo nhwemwa ema ne ema 8 meti to efama madama wom na etechira aboa me na no penso dia okensi un sempa ensa cancel 8 me ejao a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step yenhwa CFF EPL matches awodro no so 8 PM Britain and Hoops Albion for no 8 Manchester United twemeka bakwa o mantimiante matches awodro 8 PM hono no but yemra mu Italian Serie A Kensi 8 start to Napoli for winning and almost secure first Serie A title over ACL Cosono dia nese since Diego Armando Maradona days in 1990s mo no ana omo etimi achiro mobre pa the first good to a southern Italian side omo tia manage na omo age na ni ohwe ni ja toma kuma chan bunia wa won tantem paso yenko Songo Steak na fi hwese na nkomo no ABC akọ honom so na we the third edition of Songo Steak medical catcher da sedwada ukoda ana afi so kwa ifia da bia no obete Patrick Osajman countryman Songo nka se odi Songo Steak 8 aba ene yehwe Ghana Premier League no hwe ba bia aduna as teams ne bobọ ho amanfo HSS na niam AC ekoso ne de as efe no omayade ampa hwe assessment we a omayade ana hello Songo. Hello, Songo.
Hello, Wallace. Fantastic morning. Me mubibia kwaba. Ediba Songo Steak live. Adom TV. Badwam mago. Kenzie. More fire. Yes, now kase. Ase efina yade. Efini nyefe. Efino. Omo enyefe. Ohwe emrofono. England for a yisuya womo. Any Germany for a yisuya woma. Udihwe. Brighton. Obia beka senka a cheap match ma Manchester United ebetima make it top 4 now and I mean they wanted to beat Brighton Nathan Kumatima make it top 4 but still now their hopes are not off but this is competitive league is very competitive you understand because already see a Man City 79 points Arsenal 78 points Newcastle 65 points and a Manchester 63 points still now obetima make it top 4 but Brighton making sure say ono so Europe no person kono or shelo omo pay for a two many show mo league no but Ghana enye the same you understand it and then Songo Steak you know a straight up Ghana league you know so called football people mean how well omo organizing league you know league ni here massive attention Ghana league ni here massive attention omo be send omo be market league ni ye because over league na time omo any sponsors omo compare sponsors e buy and as a sponsorship e buy in betting company omo tiska to also omo the publicity ABC na send omo timi aton league no how well and mama league na yefe aya kono aya attractive and this you understand over Ghana league aye boa officiating a problem the BR referees because referees omo timi to omo kai and omo to omo ka bears a month no muntu ya omuka uti ase omo the referees association ni FNA also omo working hard especially FNO no mutimi enya more sponsorship onkofa sponsorship ba kupema na watena so ana watia da say oh bibia you okay bibia no okay because Ghanaian referees yet omuka and about officiating koso but when you have legal system no emoye din unhuni awoji say Diana, say Mediama, say Bichim, say Has. You understand? Utima, Oji. So this is why you need good officiating, referees, bell officiating, league matches in ye, ama normal, conkindiama, teams, you know. But paying for too many every local league, you know, because local league, you know, you bring your talent room near the aboard the various national teams. And to any every local league in the about the various national teams, junior side, Nina Baby Pimo Blasters. You can't only say obey Blasters, foreign-based players. No, you need the homegrown players, local ones. Almost that talent no mutimi compete blasters in the various national teams. Now your national teams no are strong. And under 17 under 17 AFCON AFCON African Cup na Ghana and Cameroon. You understand? Because local league attention ni one yenya talent no yenya good players. And one is paying for no omo pay DM benya so-called football people. They be a no mu to your mohoka and no kwan mo but what about your local league? We have to work very hard to restore Ghana football. You understand? Because so-called football people again about yen rana yintimi extending a mandate international as president, as chairman. No. You understand? You fix the problems of Ghana football because Ghana football no problems. It is a mobile splashy sika, mobile tonko for Guinea, ebebe momu, and no man who met me as to Obama monoma many as chairman and as a president and as mo positions are more a football mobile baka. You are thinking about say more selfish interest, but not thinking about the football. Say football be here and I say Ghana football be here. So a very bad. I mean, so-called football people, your local league, tension in me so. Oh, here am you move from England, Germany. I mean, who's young be an year? Yes, I know what here. Tension, local league, make sure to local league me attractive. I didn't be up England. Aquacobo EPL maybe. It didn't play a beer person for England. Say, Obetimatina England, soon to England, because say, more attention, our EPL. Na mutu kwende bia so-called football people. Na se mun form attention called local league. Ghana so talent. In the ball, what talent. Local league ni here attention. He said, local league ni here attention. I mean, your various national teams ni blasters proper. And then they say, yeah, so far. It say, mobile jene mo, say mobile positions. Mobile chenko fosika. And as a mobile tonko fwa jene na modi enya, mobile positions. So-called football people for no aso and I say modi benya football modi blend here and no near the solution but rather more fix football and they need to fix it also more solve problems your football because your local league and yadia Cosenia or CC Echo you understand over your local league should be a bubble matches bad pitches anchor also paying for more attention a coho baby a bubble I cover TV so my we are singing TV cry cover so coverage a very poor cameras near very poor as a serious nation football nation you nimbo you pep ball I mean you need to take care of Saloma we now consider say running football association now your ball league now cameras be a kekeneka ediama we are singing and then go as you you understand? And in Guasi, but you're paying for no mushe football. No, Omo rich, woman yeska, tombi, splashy, be manco for so musan to abamo man, as musamo dibre. But all the cameras are your league matches, Ghana, and you're so poor, What pitches are you the bobo, and you're so poor. You understand? Facilities is so poor, so called football people, woman, bring a court. I mean, your local league news say it may be a criminal 4 times near year as African champions. Not local see me fantastic, and they need to still keep it. I mean, Oko Germany are traditional teams. That's all local league ne Koso Germany, Bayamo Bobo Kama. Oko England are traditional teams. That's all. I mean, the Omo Bobo Kama because association and paying for no supporting and active women the various local leagues. El Kosovo, Europe, and I say El Kosovo. So what about football nation or Ghana? You also have to make sure so attention. A bit me, the alcohol, football. So send a bit developing local league and super fantastic league, and then even Division 1, Division 2. You understand? Bad officiating and El Kosovo, bad officiating, go on El Kosovo, which also paying for 2 women, no more a day, not local league, no. Making sure saying yes, woman kunya sponsorship bako no matiada. Also, mu pesca more. Na mutimidishe local league na local football no. It me epeja right now officiating here yipa because over baby teams 4 no Danny will be any abri pray for so obeji league na also officiating on point ye matches ni na so TV so any no say no call football people edu mani ehwe omo we no so also mo hwe because obia person stay league no on person obeko division 1 it no so no it should be very competitive it a local league you know yeah so called football people and then Songo State omunya so mo splashiska ediska man ko force to abama me na menye chama menye president rather omu first scan into a referees omudi omuka na referees no officially correct na omu make sure say local league no matter woman ahwe na Ghana football etimi akwa na dim so go stake na me aduma ebese hia
okay
fire professor
okay Patrick Osajman countryman Sungu and out ten can say or the Sungu stake it me essential still on Adom TV so and the dwumadi e ba nyame adom adwada ye be san de aba na afi so kwa ukoda san de aba na afi fieda ye de abantia na wa hye no so wa hia Patrick Osajman countryman Sungu e wo Sungu stake and no pa e de eno so it me essential me do see na mada wase na ma che opi na mo hye no so mam say 1xbet omo de techi na feje fast mixture ne sedimo gel and roll on womo ene techi bo amena no penso de o kensi mu sempa sakan no etimi eja o me din de Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up and am and of course evidence based presentation it mejao e ntina ma onyo kese pe bi ne da soni na onfan ko bi ne da so yeso yesu de Adom TV on pe bi ha yesan de brent ko so a e ma wa feed no entimi ensanda ha esase nyame adoma mami boot ana e de entertainment etimi saba mami boot person e ma esi ko so akugya nkwala na gufie ana nei ode eye entertainment ne e ba nkomo no be de e ba ni kan ne kan zu kakra bi ne kan zu kra no ana mami boot e de e ba ntima de nyina e ba de amsel bo de adase odo wa feed ne ebitia to a prof Macrao.
Good morning, sisters and brothers on the block, y'all. And they pay Bibiawa Cause. Okay. Now, ye share damono, young consum do quickly, Zuno, or yes, sister, Mame Boatima, the Fantido president. Hey, I was almost some more than Noya Kono, come, but that's it. Papa, oh, Honom. Now, as all thing there. Brothers and sisters ni na president no oni mara na maje gwa ne pay na nyame adomo ochina Vodafone Ghana Music Awards no or bado zan VGMA who takes what wana no only winner abaze na one thing about VGMA this year me shada me feel you me feel the vibes no from no mintum family e wa mintum family but one of the categories here, you can there where is the home come papa chrome artist of the year the biggest nomination no so actually nominees ni na had no ijawum because all your there's a trend training be who I said this year no artist no born who wasn't pa the me and kasa one farm and the following year no na dama artist no wababaji artist of the year into no zanko for ka ambazma swatu for matete in there yaza ko for finger black hole that this year no a black hole ni year because actually 2 years rubeya why you juma papa into no black hole or any year now so no PSC star wo papa say ya share ground pa the Ghana had the impact and you feeling yet in the presence papa why me here hit maker no on the baby wafa baby na mpo no say ehwe na ho keka since nominations about I mean all con chapo schools or chinchima media houses of vote ankasa nti no mutum de PSC star nenwa dadama award no do or bomodzen or ye bibia do botum na wenya but ye hu the gospel from what away the mazno wonya the artist of the year no won wonya wo kodo nominations won won fon to fom mo be ye bia wo be je no wo be ye na wa nti no there's still that clash ye reason the mon komo no ye ntumi ehu say obofedeyo black hole another oko PSC Esther honom apart from that no yensani ezu nkomo onfa George ni amakwe media personality and event promoter nkomo bia ye hu the origin on social media na yen share za ochocho also to hono me also the gospel people no we would walk around desperately our warriors obotu why bia we influence the VGMA Academy and board members na mpono wono ma wo from the worldly arts chena wono we wi asenyom no wono mpono wonye damaza no nti no who there masa gospel for no focus on one fans na one hwema fans no one vote mo hon die more den na one jay that were ho academy no nti no ehwe we so encourage your fans na one jay that wo lobby academy no one lobby fans ma one vote na kwacho one no nyene who are those anyways I don't know because this year no mashada yes, you know to form. When you producer Sandra Capo, ya for one pages. Artists are all Ghana had their one pages na day. So I'm making the men's the VJ me from no or bots no. Now I want to know what per se because you would worry be for vote. This year no why slow? Oh yeah, end of the year and the black hole. One day. Black hole, I feel na black hole no have an there or nomination Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. Afi na no aba no do nti no brother Richema won vote man na yebo hu bia story na was akoto honom na wo bi sada won vote stories in 24 hours obesna akọ family 6 hours ago na ye hu da family nso wa ba abotro ato honom the last year no was the praise was the J songwriter of the year award no nanso no oyaza no onyi honom wentu wamba meje nanso no this year no obompe no botum was thank you no age songwriter of the year award no na family did I do nyina e wo hen did I do amaka da master like what's up china wo baba VGM hoze anyways yes any oboko akohwe na yezi enenwa ezechi red carpet abato ye bo ho papa na etwetwe bia bro na abonyo ha comment no Monday ebi hye hen ma yezi oboko do wo Vodafone Ghana Music Awards na se nyinara yezi abro na mifiri hono na yanko Jackie nansam bia ya record on social media yezi nkomo mfa mesiafo a wo Ghana ha wo yanyom Ghanaian female artist secular fono na watchem da ya na was one body no was promoting nyom na ma bi ohompa se ebonyi pokunizin king nipa na adwene besi wutin me king pe aza adwene ho ya na body enya nyom na wa agban ewu ebi mu yenyim one body no po yenyim wona nyom ewu na so no oyaza shata michi wa bo Jackie na bad papa do iraba no wa ehwe na ihu na nyom you who na lankasa na body even though Raban was nice body na yente is that Shatamichi okay.
People like Jackie, I think, have come to show us that you don't have to expose, you know.
Right.
It doesn't always have to be sexual. I don't think she's ever looked that sexual, you know. She's always in a good and that's what I'm actually trying to do with not just personal rebranding but musically when I come back. I don't want to have to shake bum.
Okay.
Do you understand? I don't want to have to go back to wearing my transparent clothes to trend. No. The music should be quality. We should have, you can always incorporate sexy and classy. You know, let's not use the word decent.
Female artists no one day na dwendwen won ho ayedwen won nyom ho na yen hweda yen dwendwen won body ho o ma yen hwe Adina Adina. When Adina comes to mind, picture him put two no phone good ho kakra now so no minima me nyom nyom kase papa nyom kase papa if I think of Adina I think of her music. I don't think of Adina's body. Ma me hwa ma kira anyen ehu na yen free honom na yen hwa Miss V nso for no wife na za otingi de Davina kasaze dwono ho ebodwen ne nwom ho enya za ebodwen na the body ho debi so sister no to dress sexy pa class ze okite bi papa or class 2 the Mara na Sina so the ever beautiful Sina so very gorgeous na so no me care na paza minim do bodun o Ghana ha de me care for the body na me hwe Riala so Riala so body no wa hwe body ya temu no ho asamara nyene ho into no dem nkete say ya mazo na to do nyina ranyem be ya adwende classes wo bi the Mara so no we very 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 sexy now so no when nyom na waraton nyom no inte raba se rehwe manyi ma ne pay na se ma bozo ha no nche dem poche ma monjo no ho atasa inte no so wa so ehwe na se nyom besiaba sexy and classy na oya zero ton nyom no na enye wo body na return is poche fa se dem social media ai fa se ni Adom TV on Instagram, Adom TV on Facebook, Adom_TV, TikTok and Twitter. Aye. Na one man will be mutim na. Zona to do na ye free hono na yanko songwriting ho some okrom ha dey ho man na interview artist bi no so enyim am pon show you enyim pon na bo pon show wo bonyum na dam na wo ma credit na ye hu na ha dey no yi tro we wa obi ni twom kra no akade yi ha dey no obi bo twom wa ha dey bi the form na ye hu zo record na say wanye ndam ama he na wakade na ore wa ye wo bi o social media na waso pa ye wo twotwo nyum na ba agreement na woko mreke ekesido de oyaza kwam Eugene wa ba chim the no dollar no most of the words in the song no na no tro say kwame na ye mresisi a
I'm not sure na I think it's I don't know how to say this not to come out as disrespectful, but it's a big lie. Because I wrote that.
You wrote that?
I wrote
that. Why
that.
would they say Omo?
Maybe because I keep saying this all the time, say industry, there are certain things that people think this will be trauma, no need talent. But it doesn't work like that in the Western world. They recorded their verse in my studio.
Okay.
And I didn't charge 1 CD for no dollar.
Okay. Did you say you would Diana Okase would the mom na reach you?
Omoba, na matro from DJ Tramin Lala, job the song make it there to where the party the matwabi. And the job would be come here or time baby into Oda.
But it was their song. They initiated this, Anna.
It was already written.
By you.
I've done this before. Normally, you need me by your ma.
But you wrote it.
But I've done this before, writing a song and putting everything together. Now, there. Then we don't have to go back.
No, I'm usually chuma. And you must say, or you catch us. I don't know. In some woman on Lala Troy. What's more by your time, baby? What time baby then? Now, catch Joshua, I respond to the Mr. Miyakwami Eugene, okay, my Yenteza, catch a.
They said the only thing we did in the song is our time baby into what I'm not understanding it. Hey, Andrew, into no, you to hear or time baby. I'm not understanding.
No one so punk one tro more, or 10 baby, what that. Why pero chosi? That's that one tro more. Na Kwame Kwame. Na say ye ka obi o nkofo anyu mo Ghana hapa na nkiza kutin pawo dey. Awa be fa ni sisi aye nte wonka. Na you say e bote pa ye de ne wa. Ya botaro wow, wabaka mo. Nya botaka krati. Na ye face one yen two full stop na ye mbesno call won sub video on social media. Salinko na you know what some day and pedam as manutu confirm what asa but sinala about social media yaze no na yeze na no botumi bi o chemos da onyaza onye na yer wo honum bi o tisiara no twa amane aba yenteza okay ai
awari mu no say obi timi ka say why fed up. Madam just said they say why fed up. We went to the father yakotena say papa nso so hu ne say ne bana ye fed up. Ye mon ye ntini en kan. Mini anka ya fam trim so no bende me koton ma de ya first na ekonko mitimi tena say je se dwomfo no obi ka say salinko na mani aba me ho so. Wow. Wow. Awari mu no say obi timi ka say why fed up. Madam just said they say why fed up. We went to the father yakotena say papa nso so hu ne say ne bana ye fed up. Ye mon ye ntini en kan. Mini anke ya from trim so no bend me koton ma de ya first na ekon committee me tena se je se dwomfo no bi ka se salinko
ibesi had in the floor is hidden glow na ochu menyim squad wo gwa de ze nyasem kakra ba osmosis no nye bra cares also do no he wonder maran so no Jonas owa ha Dave obelu nyame nhye ho ne bebre be de ze area menzikeko Jonas ma mental care nti Sandra sana couple e mo producer ma so do nyame adoma Monday VJ me samsam ni nyara no mezebabro
ya brand waso se yedi nkomo na afi ye hwe so na mo a ma woda braso no ye wehye mo kama na ye fefefe na birthdays no ene ye di free nkomo twetwe ni nyina asenti no bread nya so se ya na watena se na kai se DBS Industries Limited ekura bi mu abrane edan so body amedofo omoye number 1 ankasa ene omuni nkita ho na wodan no fa na de papa fa enchanse papa enkuri so emao sanso na St Andrews SHS aba ama bata nyina wo yo bata nko ade awoba no ene da so aba ma wa tro BC so na bia fa ne ko St Andrews SHS na won twere ntwa na ne da ache enye fe na me kai wo se Richo konsu anope mabubo bie no ama won minimu nyina ate kama sanse unya so wasora no pa no anya something rich creamy chocolate na odi ogunsu ohie mu a sugar ni bibia dada no abobbo bie nkwada no mpanifo no mte obata nie pebi esi wofie na me kai wo se Franco Trading Enterprise so say earphones laptops accessories printers and your hair tabletop fridges air conditioners TV flash screen bi nyina wodi bia ba ne Franco for eni nkomo na se download the Franco app to phone so na ni omuni nkita ho wo ho St Andrews Ultimate Remedial School so aba ma me ne umienu watro wasin so hwe ne wantwa relax St Andrews Ultimate Remedial School ko ombetwa wade abosume kakra bi obetwa na watwa sanyu mekwe ne kura mu matena se asabre mede enkomotwin ebeso mo na yemfra siemfri wo mo ayedi wa woda no eso ena birthday enti na meka se kame ho na ye ni nkomo we ne duru sia ne mahu ne se we no emade wom memade wom bibia wom Daffy's Health and Beauty simaka cho so wo mo ohema fan minister wo mo dia Daffy's Health Glow Shower Gel wo mo dia Daffy's mo de foot three nyina o enti na me se kame ho na ye ni nkomo no mame ma che kwa ba na empombo ko de ma ne te se wo ba no mo se mi musa se de ye ne ohema family minister na ne ye de ye onu ni oh wow very beautiful na no ye de ade
okay nti ohema se oba wo ho na wo efichi komu ya na se wo ko efichi emeyi a ohema aboa
okay
ebe ma na ba
nti na ma no eni agisa edre hu sa wow emfa ho ne se wo menstrual problem en flow ye ana wa yase ye wo yade wadro ni
ohima wadro ni
wow de hi biem na wo ho ayo de bae
nti that is there ye wo no bebre any skin care so there bebre nti me the skin care ne be start
okay
ye wo shower gel e de mask skin bia unto obi wo ho no mo a wo ye kokopa obi wo ho ye ho no obi wo ho ye tuntum nti e ban in shades shade 1 for dark and chocolate skin shade 2 for caramel and average fair skin and shade 3 for akoko for nepa
na botre mo Daffy's Healthy Glow Shower Gel no mo in 3 shades nti emfa ho se oye tuntum de wo ho emfa ho se oye chocolate de so ye color ne wo ho e na wo mo ye kokko pa no omo so de wo ho
so de no mo ye ho ne
ho so de wo
mo de wo ho
okay na se sa me bo wura baby eton bie no a na me se me pe shower gel na de wo ton ne be hwe me color na wa yi sama na e be fata me ama
e de ama e na enye seminar ne nkwan so ne wo ye wo nku wo ho no me no so e ba ne shades ne sa your body cream and your face cream. Wow. In the same. And you won't call audience for babies 1 year and above.
Yeah, but say my wife for na me bananya 1 year.
1 year.
Did that for me penny me dware Healthy Glow Shower Gel no. Na me sra nku na me use face cream no. Me bana wanya 1 year no so mo wo.
You want a shower gel and you want a body cream. And a shower gel no e say oh e be a rashes.
And I nkwada suro heat won say rashes egu ne ho nyina
okay hygiene enu we ebe yiyi ni nyina ma skin na soft and it works so say nkwala dey works for all skin types
okay
nti ye wo omo shower gel and ye wo omo body cream e very effective ena
na ma me hwe de esi suro hei
we no nti face cream ni we face cream shade 1 shade 2 wo ho shade 3 wo ho
face cream then so mo obi a skin tone no
obi a nti se wo fa shade one your shower gel or body cream and your face cream your set wo ho edema
ti me bana me beto a ai o hwe me color no a ye benya me nku am de besra menya dem de beye manim e na menya shower gel am de bedware all according to me shade wow wow and I for different shades tuntum se wiyo for wo bi and a chocolate for wo bi and a kokko for so wo mo de wo eti mo de enya nkrofo de ya yes wo wo ye tuntum asra wo ye kokko asra de bia
okay debi obia de wo different shades
okay and a green one is ye de
green one ye wo flat tummy product
flat tummy
any general body weight loss
me here be pa me o make my fair on some bo me kasa ti me here be
any general body and I only when you say any say bia wo constipation we struggle with constipation or baby be best suppress you no I'm maintaining healthy weight this is your go-to product
wow
flat tummy and your other one for general body weight loss
na botre enti we na ye flat tummy me pese mafu no nko aye flat eno ye de Duffy's snatched herbal tea.
Yes.
And wo ho. And na wo ye kese na wo pese wo general wo ni padua ni nyina wo so tea.
Ai.
Eno so de wo eno so ye de nya. Duffy's herbal tea.
Ai.
Oh wow. Ai. Pejani eni enhwe. Pejani eni enhwe na aha. Enti de ho ye green no eye oyem pe.
Oyem.
And at the orange, yes, a wow, person was slim, whole body now.
Yes, a person maintaining healthy weight and so on.
And also, so, oh dear, oh wow, wow, Nemania Japan. I mean, Matia, you know, shower gel and a dear matching new phone and name or him, family, Miss Neminim says, baby, Kahonsa.
Ye will be so bro or acne, pimples, a saying in him. Any dark spots. Into water or shower gel, body cream, new face cream. Ye will acne cleanser, who bet me a dear year when him. If acne na if when him na my skin I reset skin kama and now we are your black spots cream so and so say we use face cream ni we are now the black spots cream ni kakra aye baby I was acne timija dark spots now the dark spots ni kakra aye so ebe yi na ma we ni na aye kama
wow
and our hema nechi no so ne your feminine cleanse for bar
yes
eyi enkaboni if you it's for intimate hygiene. Emma who nyina ye I'm fine. But a product ni nyina so emma etimi use to be. Emma no etimi use to be. Yes, it's only feminine cleanse ne pe na ye man kwa de.
Okay.
Ye wo herbal capsule any immune boost and your product ni de bebre.
Okay. Wow. I don't know minim say normal do so me mu odesa. Enti apart from herbal wash no, feminine wash no, they aka nyina mema nti samana na odi dware na bema
timi dwale bi. Yenyi obi enfim. And they are all plant based. I have a room kwani de ye no Ghana had Duffy's Health and Beauty. Yankasa ne ye. Ye nyama ne bia ni mu epo. Say your skin here you kotonku we afa bewe na hana ye kokko na hana ye tuntum wonim so obi wo ho a wa pokra ayesa na ye charge on body cream ni face cream ni ebetimi yi na ma natural skin no aba e clear sunburns ni bibia nti jambotre ye mfa nsa ma tonku bi anyeme amamanya dark knuckles ma hanyina ye tuntum kotodwa ma ye tumwa se me call back to factory resets ama me beto mo normal papa bi betimi ma call back to factory resets ama me menya me normal skin tone se de me pe no oh and I say the problem to atwa wow ne ehwe me hu adaka ye siese no so ye de hia we na ye body cream no enku e de sra enku aye de sra me te say because I didn't dare say a community packaging the camera. Oh wow, beautiful. Nti we ne yakokọ for the shade we shade 3 yakokọ for the pan. You will shade 2 wo ho, you will shade 1 there so wo ho. And yes sound so won kola de. Enkomo na ya me de. Obi peb location obenya no papa yi bi atofa he ne bi wo. That fees say here your branches bi bako 7. Kumasi mienu Tech Junction any patase. Yes sound so will be water crade. East Legon American House, Algerian Gano. Ebi was Spintex. It means to Tema Community 4 behind Kingdom Bookshop. And it means to Achimota. It is a yourself. Yes, sounds who retailers on Mutumbi across Ghana, baby. ha nti se wo frɛ
na ko me rua pharmacy bi a mehu wo hema family minister ne
yes ye wonkofo bebre a wo moton nti se wo de untumi locate ni oben wa wo frɛ yen a na wo che baby a wo ti ani aboa wo ni oben wo ne number na wakakutu bi wo no ho
okay nti number ne ye say sisuma ye na
nti number ne ye 020 251 4020 020 251 4020 ana 050 723 9640 050 723 9640 ufe wa ye beboa
okay enti no ye mo bone ma na mo se mo wone so ansa na yakọ mo den ne den
enti ye wo healthy glow shower gel body cream and face cream ye wo Hema feminine mixture herbal capsules feminine cleanse ye wo immune booster ye wo herbal tea snatched tea yes sanso wo acne cleanser and dark spots cream yes enti generally no ye any hair growth cream
enu hia me ye nko gina ho hair growth cream no hair growth no e say mema dodo na pampa mu pa
obia
hair growth no obi wo so opese wo gina
beard no mo prepa
henti ye ne no ho nkomo eno hefo na timi use
e mani be menyina to me use
okay
opese unwi wo dandruff unwi ni ntimi mfu
okay
o se be wabo ti na bia tutu anase bibi wo use a etimi boy ma unwi no mu nso emu ye dru kama na fu nkola nso to me use
okay
1 year and about nkola ni say ebi a ofelese anu de kara da frankuto kakra na wo de ayom chema wutini na
na se ma wo ba na se be ba no pese ntinwi ne fu broma eno asa ba koto bi me hwe na wo de kuto afra na me de aye nku a me de be fa ne chim na menunum okay say them producer aye word we chire we no gisem gisi hama no because said we ka say de nimu nwi ni nyina etutu no make you say me de me wo mi say me natural hair e de gusu no no na me feel ni say kakra na da fisi ya na me de fam eti na me say ehia me no eno na me de fam etirim e na ama nwi no aye nice sa no okay na wo say herbal capsules enso say de ya
herbal capsule ni say bia oba be ma wo infection
okay
me use eba we betu ase
ama ye ho atwa ye wo mate ye da sepa se na we ne yedi nkomo ye da sepa ebusia na se we no Daffy's Health and Beauty nkomo ne yedi no number na gu screen so no wo se wo fa na wo fra baby a omo enuro ni bi wo ben wo bia no be kire na wakoto bi ye da sepa se wo hwe ye madam yenso ye da se mudi du papa sei abreye enti ye beda Daffy's Health and Beauty for ase se enu papa eti se wo Hema feminine mixture mo nku ade sra samna ye di dwade capsules a ye use oni nyina no wo mama ye bia ma ye kama de fa ye tirimi fu nso ni nyina bi wo se nkwada de so ho no mo 1 year and above obenya bi ye beda o ma se buso ye nsan ko birthdays ne so ho na ye ni birthday anopai wo mo a omo braso se na your birthday na ye celebrate wo mo no yen celebrate omo bi mako saa na enye fe
Yaba bu nyina wache ena wase biem so go so ehwe bedwam ewo Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280 and a Go TV channel 119. O share live on so ewo Facebook search Adom TV. Oko YouTube nso a Adom TV. Baby afabia Adom TV. Search we yen ewo. Share emu obi enye bi enhwe. Asemi di kabre na aso ye wi na abudwafo atrase adi enkomo. Anopa dem jiri so ho That apacho say Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe pictures na ye krado apacho standing by from me na yenkyere ahwefo ade ebisesi ye. Anopa Minister for Energy Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe Ghana for napo ye chiao. So ho ye onu apamfo ya mo ye adwuma ewo energy ministry. Amafo be kai abese last week. Asem ni kare ye fa asem na se ye bo na se tokro medam mo empanfo sili ya ye nyai. Ye di komo bi about Tema Oil Refinery. Sane to enya adwuma emfa. Sane fam wo bo epeja ewo Yemen because say amafo enoa fam wo no wo mam ni akokoto e de firi wonu aba.
Brikaka to say one kai hu say Ghana yankasa so nyame adom oil no ye tubi crude no ye tubi CDU ni RFCC na ye de enane crude enua crude no e me be dane oil mu ye de gu ye cars no ye wo bi e wo Ghana ha kotema oil refinery bi wo ho ya tuna jeje mu ntino na de be gumu a etimi nuwa ne papa tere kura etimi kura nuwa kura eno na chen abampen for the ade buy na fed gold for oil se Ghana gold ya ye wo no ye de bi ko amodone dwaman so akogye fenwo e de aba sabre na ye diesel enam 23 cedis per liter etina ma asohye na ohnyahia atosi Ghana ban ene Ghana de hye so ye gye ho ba bia na enye nyame adum na ne de aba ba 12.65 ebi kura ton 11 ye the gold for oil ebeduru Ghana near the akoku bust tank farm bust tanks no eyema near Jaitema oil refined honum near kope ankra tank farm near the agu na ban etua kakese ye kan want some last week ye di ho nkomo e bomu say sad na ye no enye emfata ye because in fact the whole of West Africa say wo ka refine one big tank farms pa tema oil refinery ka ho bi ti ade ntide ko craft farm wo de ba ankra tank farm ne de kwa kugu ba na mo asade bi ma papa Adom TV sui Minister for Energy Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, former Minister of Education, champion extraordinaire of Free Senior High School. The second term of Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo say, David Napo Ejumadi and 1 year Education Ministry. Now one of our flagship programs, so that me and the energy cost or two issues, my. So from 2021, upon the Bay Energy Minister. And now no Wednesday, you left fear that ya wada Wednesday, yay, ukwade tremwe. Semino ka say, a failure, ya kofa gold for oil in a bar, yan fan ko ankra tank farm ubiem. Ya de kotema oil refinery. Na po ya de. And the as of Wednesday, and you may na mimi free tema oil refinery no. Na small tanks in there, bebre na ye ma adu bese 9 feet. Ama big ones no na eperfu a ehama yebu fam wona gum chemu mo hwe se betime du bese 16 feet. Time na me fam na du bese 10. So I say by this time there enso aye ma. Say the ehwe no. Ya di ka cho say asemi ni ka eni wo say ne abampanfo eya enya no kwa ne yebeka ho but e wo se mpanfo to na mo be na sefata se bobo ma baso a yebeka and one of them and ye kan wasemi Ojo TV ni so Tema oil refinery latest video the current state of Tema oil refinery na hu TV so no eti Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh why are there you also don't want to believe say be a kind nti and I be maybe na enhegu akwam dada to why are there pa. And I know, say, and that year at least Ghana buying a nation idea so. Eti a catching the near bo, a brand near the fam munukogu, and crankra tank muno. Be this is the tanks muno, and Nesakano, a pepper form at the Amayan. That's why the first one the koto cry, and you're free. Masati asem ne bako. Esa fedi a jebo, enche ye the crude air caught Tema oil refinery. Amo one noa e ye man doctor no so ye di akire pa ye di akire papa so otimi ye no so a na afa ewie pe yo say e ka entimi nya possible say under Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh Tema oil refinery entipo kra ennoa 1 crude 1 liter of crude impo that can possible eteni ate say eba say enche Tema oil refinery no eba bejina na so under Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh. This is what we expect you to do. To make Dr. Adan Mekaye. Omo mfro free Dubai bo amani ada no. And o man kan ho. say yen town yen chiriwo. But we believe that Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, energy minister, you can do it. So 2 issues a boss who are same the car, but could ye sorted because it's a God for oil, no. Ye be a good tema oil refinery for tank farm. It's any sorted. It's a crude now menwa. Near some other CDU ne RFCC no. Timacho kakra abaho. Ye hwede yesiesie se ne be ya no so gwie enkofa asem famra ye. Tema oil refinery workers mo na meba mo so. Tema oil refinery workers mo na meba mo so. Especially management. Diama ye mu biye ni abra ye kan wasem ni nyina say. Ye pese fam mo ye togu ye kam wo ye mem no. Ye be ko filling station ye to ne best 2 cedis per liter. And we believe that all edge than and nasu ye, as some refinery crude oil memoir, and your possible symmetry medru. Sabria shall see the gold for oil. Family be a good. Motanks Musam has so from Ghana bano. Yam pesa brabasi a baby ye be coco yacheno, yet the 10 a beguana for 8 penny accounted for. And it can be a source and catch give a chip and for crackum. At the management, here, water my oil refinery, the board of directors, juniors, this should be your responsibility to make sure, say, I buy GD, yes, send your tomu to revive Tono, Munaba Cabo, Abdomen, and Yepayo. Your pest stories. Ghana form pest stories. So the chief executive officer, the board of directors, from the CEO to the list manager, yeah, what all? It should be your responsibility, say, Ubama adia buy a yes, Webam for Sodia Mayina as of mine. Because Mona Yaka say, my pension fund, I come almost best 4 years. Hamo. I buy to me because see, I can say, Tonya, you mama be a scar every mo ever. And said, I buy a survive it to her. And you in your say, you make cow boom, some Broma dear Bako, near Buamato, I revive ye. It's a doctor, I'm sitting down your kaye, one and your bowachi, and that's why you say what I say, Buabaso. Said 2 issues they raise ye. Saturday night, you could find good for all your bed, you could go and crank tanks, my brother, my oil refinery warnum. And none quite a year, ya shall see. LOD good for oil to be a good tema oil refinery for a tanks him. Tema oil refinery 90 refinery crude nay at Janity say, would you crude quack more, yet to my refinery. This is what we want our country to be. So kudos to you, Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, on pen for ya more energy ministry, and also management ya more at all. But ye should when me say, Ubema to ejida nasu ye ampa. Bedidi ya kwesinsia, ya di pense mu etwaso. Akwa baby emfamra pese mujumedi so on Badwam or Adom TV so bra so se ne abedwafo betrase na ye di enkomo ne ekoso ye me fa na sekese enkoma Franco Trading Enterprise makacho say phone de ope baby e be che e de amana ne bo fo mo a ye papa Franco nko an ton phone ye papa ono to free baby ye phones no ankasa de da ewo mu eno no papa Franco no nko enkwanche nkoto phones be ton ma okọ baby a ye phone no say ye iPhone say Samsung say Nokia okọ baby aye nankasa no akwakotu e de abasara be asemba ona so de kobaka onya issue papa Franco eno no the phone so de usumotim sampa waso phone papa emu say patcho air conditioner up makacho say nan say ECG4 atoto won kanea ewom ti man kanea bo akosoro papa so beto air condition na actually ye e de amount na entwen kana bebra eye Franco air conditioner mekanfo e de amount hwehwemo ewo enkran tema ena kumase miamia wodo bebro kwa benya omobie na phrase 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 Franco Trading Enterprise still phone papa efie eno safari tissue enso eni there be medical card o tissue adbe pound sam ama nsan wo aye nwan o be pound fifre ama nsan fifre ni ye e de free woni mu a e safari tissue na make am for the amount o nketenkete ni bi to be fashion botom and na COVID-19 ti obi e jai handkerchief use because o the handkerchief people wanim na de show botom SRF wanim a yare na oyi free won me no na asade ko etu nya safari tissue na be po ni wi a wato atwe na foforo enso asa pepa ne bo e ofom pa dwama nso be a be ko bia no onsa e be ka bi ato richoko me se no na ye no no pai bubo bi na ye fine na ye kama se be obi e show be ka se apa na nse do kala to ya ka se koko e na ye de e ye richoko eno na ye do ne sa zest consort enso enie but wo ni so de won se person tu kwan ko amono ne ko sua ade o per scholarship de akwa ko sua ade say IELTS GR na fe SAT na person otwere also ko zest consort o makachi o mko na betimi aboa amana wie peye e de no matter romanti Ghana this year over 2000 ena nya kwanya o mu sua ade e wo UK ni US e bi kusukuta scholarship eno na nchen wo fie ya woton ana person oto efie bi o person oto japade bi ana wo japade bi a woton zest consort se e wo 0555 631 633 0555 631 633 mbeko na so yasene ebe de pensem djumadi eto aso ama wo Badwam wo Adom TV. So very good morning to we wonya bre na wo hwe ne anopa abejafo atenase Alfred Thompson a member of the NPP National Communications Team. Sir Jonathan Kwaku Bwai a former Sir Anthony Media Jonathan Sir Anthony Kwaku Bwai a former National Deputy Communications Officer Dema NDC. How you go? Everybody Nyame Adom. Yeah, sorry, dear na yeda nyame ase. We thank God for all that he gives. Chemistry teacher. Bra na ho ye de. Boko na so ye. Patom na ho ye pa. Koku hu ye na ye feduko. Obene de. Okay. We are so sure. Nanado aban papa na e ma no ho aye fe no. Because time na aban was na no ho ye fe sa. Why me di kura free adwuma. Na wo ho ye fe sa. Se si ade ho ye fe. Na mo yi me. En ka no kure. Ho aye fe etwa yiye ma o. Atwa yo. We cool. Anthony say akokosa okay second coup d'etat and now we a third coup d'etat and then na de nim de na ye no mu bi de te ba bia yeti okay so on the 13th of May 2023 NDC kwabato so akoyi parliamentary candidate and presidential aspirant week the candidate no na wonjina o candidate ni president they be wait me jina MP bia they be parliamentary candidate Santa Ronya Joso me ni nyen parliament a obekọ adwiso you so near Dujama, your parliamentary candidate. Okay. Nti emre de omo ye ta omochi. Okay. Candidate to order than MPs. Your candidate omo vie for. Na ye bon pai. That's also bet me no. There be emre ni nyanro. Alfred. Emre ni do so na nyame na aka se menko gina MP a. Meko. But see the emre ni nyanro. Okay. Alfred boko there. Nyame adomechia Central Region for especially me chairman Kutin. And a Cape Post for especially. That's what we call Cape Post. They be me call regional chairman. But we don't call regional chairman. We talk MP. One I say. Tan matter no from. Hey, and this for person mu PPA me bi. Na ko say the pay busa de. Na me busa no intina me. Say me busa no say o call MP ni na o share that say. Yes. Emna pa ho say me dem come pick form to man here. Yes, Emna pa ho man pick form. Bu de nyan ruso. Man pick form. Ah okay. O best sponsor me na. Central region bi ba ko Osha hopa Osha ho. Ekwa usi so ho. Obo ejuma yi. Ekwa usi ho. Ekwa usi so ho. Ono so wo hopa. Ayi mo secretary madam for. Kubuai. Wana no. Mo regional secretary. Oh okay. Richard Techi. Oh okay. Madam for pa student politics. Better say Kubuai. Former Deputy National Communications Officer Dema NDC Abukona Alfred Thompson. As a member of the NPP National Communications Team. But starting from here, last week, on a same day, Kayaka asked me about Tema oil refinery buying a jai as old jano in Sensa. Niana a satia kumaya say, good for oil, ya government, the free. Abrochri, Amanone Ebano. Ya the court bust, no more tank farm, a yama. Near Kuchis, Kadiama, private BDCs, no more keep the amaye. Ya kanwa semwa Wednesday ni nyane Tuesday ni nyane tiese abane shegu akwem say the next good for oil na eba no omri bi eba Tema oil refinery ya nsutu anamo ekwampa yekware ko na tanks enketu ano yem say ayema kora wi anesa ama akese na nom so mo filam na dru be say 16 feet and as of that time na efiri wa nwumre no
no more do almost best at 10 feet. Yeah, I believe so by this time there, I am. And it's a good cause. At the Mayan Tiano pay, yeah, but the energy minister and then in pen for Abasu Sampa, almost to Sanamon 2. To my oil refinery, the second of Nanado Danko Kufadri, or more refinery included that. Your coins, your yanity, as say crude enche eba, your barber refinery, and believes that there's something we need to also commend government. You're also looking for some power, send a good for oil, then I'll book through no. Crude the energy ateno, a big go through, sir, challenges be won't be, and it's me resolve it. But we are still saying to the workers, Dan Chishe and Penifo, a woman de Bua, Amia revive it, and my oil refinery. It also need their collaboration. This issue of say, tough for Nankasa Beye can't for themselves, no, should be a thing of the past. Alfred.
Yo, me da say, say, asem bakwa etwema say ye ka ho briefly and sana me share we say because Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe why adwuma pa. Okay. But Nansia is it Press Freedom Day?
Yeah.
When was the last week or baby?
This week.
This week.
World Press Freedom Day.
World Press Freedom Day that day, you know.
Yeah.
And NDC former deputy communication officer war your friend saying Badwam.
Yeah.
Or attack Sadiq Gariba of Badwam FM. And this should be condemned in no uncertain terms.
Yeah.
Idea and say you promote it. We are all trying to put forth and make sure say my friends say more media for me to make us fine. Yeah. You are safe, you are secure near there. And I expect say Kwekuba here start here at least obe condemn the officer because he's a former deputy communication director.
Yeah.
On condemning the officer for what he did, this former officer. And we should condemn all this method of violence. No, who started to preach violence? Say most in a JMA say NDC they are noted for violence near there, so they can do what they want. Now, no, you promote such culture, which is not good for our media freedom. And you see, when our media comes down, then you come and blame the government. But these are little snipers. Media freedom, ecoform.
Yeah.
Until I'll condemn it in no uncertain terms, and I expect my brother to do the same.
Okay.
I know he's a good guy and he will do that.
Okay.
Maybe Franco,
yeah.
Franco knows why. I think you people have done a very good job. I mean, you expect to say media, some of these things, because sometimes what is true, they come and tell you different things, and if you are not careful, and if you don't hear some of the things that walk around there, you'll be mistaken, or you'll be a bit few hydrogen, so say the ecosono. Inti say Mukaya na Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe, won't say on the or doer. Shamosi Obeshe, free SHS, or Dane no, my free SHS, Gina, and Ansonia, dear. The whole way Austria Education Ministry am ene yet na hey my friends and the famoko the famoko committee mo enjoy say all praises say the way ultimately lobby monya schools are ACC girls dormitory ACC boys dormitory educational in woko constituency it's A1 my ene no the campaign say this government helps whether you are in the government or not, on be making sure some be bow my way so because we need to develop this country. It's not about me, it's not about Obi Oteo, it's not about Nanado. Nanado thinks about the whole nation. And so I keep on saying that well, you can condemn me now because you think your economic woes, but the nation that he is holding is the papa of the nation.
Yeah.
And the first thing he thinks about is this country. How well he can put the country in the best Tema oil refinery problem started by I think from Rollins time to now he started to say it's Tema oil refinery Nancy poem say issue being put by him say until I will bore a workers no he say almost say crude aye de ko company ade na ibi mu nyane pepepe na ibi mu yira ani ade which was a problem but upon when you know they've still given them a chance. Say, listen, let's turn that place around. Gradually, when we all start working towards this now, we will say the whole thing will turn around.
Sure.
This is a government you need. A government that thinks outside the box, a government that works outside his confines to make sure, say, at the end of it all, or at the end, my ye. And it's been going on and on and on. And that is why we keep on saying, say, listen, there are global challenges now, economically. There are global challenges. But we will not sit down and say because of global challenges, because IMF, you see, say gradually, one day, one at a time, 10 things around. Now, say Parliament approve 6 loans, 7 loans.
Yes, 7.
Development purposes. This is the government we need. This is how we need to see it. Even when you have challenges, you still sit down and you plan, you think outside the box. Now with the ejumane so that people who are at my oil refinery will not become redundant. Because they say thousands of workers will be going home.
Yeah.
What will they do? Say can say how would they get paid? Because it all comes back to taxpayers' money, the national kitty. Yeah. They are paying them and they are paying them and they are paying them. Now every day jumano na ekadaho. Because these machines, when you don't turn them around now, even for servicing them, even for making sure that you are buying parts to come back. And machines, it's a people don't know that, but so we see the grind gets bad, it goes bad. And before we get to Mehakumu, I said we have huge innovation. Renovation also it is a wusi dying for floor. Worse than wusi dying for floor. When these machines are not working, and we have to go and turn them around, who is going to do it?
Sure.
This is a best and a good initiative. Nyamisha Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe, aka Napo. Nyamisha Nanado for Ijumapa Ohun Wonuma on Nakosheho. And we believe that the future is bright for Napo. We will support him fully for that, for whatever he wants. Baby, I wouldn't Koshebia, we prove your chair and say, Baby, I wouldn't Beshebia, he stands tall there. And we trust him and we know that he's going to deliver the oil sector, the cruise sector for us.
Okay.
Maybe we know when we say the doom some po say nsompo to ahun say yendum kania pp. First be na nsio to na kania call but Matthew Poku Prempe oba ho no. All these things have turned around. Nyame nhia no. Nukrum ni so ntimi so be kan
Anthony Kwaku why?
There was a pay.
Say be kan.
Yeah, here for na me nhia me nua Brianest.
Say Anthony nti wo so wo frame me Ernest. Me Alfred.
Mr. Alfred Thompson.
Hey.
Na mentia amampani John Demand Mahama. And the company
we trip.
Oh yeah. Say or north and we.
Okay.
Na
Jabwa kono so.
Echina week. Na yetumi awie. Na ya toaba. Na waba bedi NDC anim.
Okay.
Na wafa ntoma pa efra. Okay. Yene support amampani John Demand Mahama de. Ye wogidi ewonimu. Na ye wogidi say party delegation so ebe yi o makomam omo shodo na otumi abidi NDC anim na wajitu because Ghana for to frɛ na ebe ya sisu Ghana for so yen so yenti o mu so frɛ na yenye o makoma so ade mo ye menye o man no nsi ba bia na o man ne sitie na amnemu ayeto na no ebe yi atokoko so na Ghana afa ne ntoma pefra.
Okay.
Echia NDC mpanimfo nyina. Ana ohun ya menwanwa kakra.
Ade.
Na medi ohun ya wo. Se yedi dwumedi ama obi. Ya man of responsibility. Na wa faili wefully. Na wote ha na wo bona baso. Ade na etoda mama ye bresa. Mama mayofo breo.
Ade koko.
Se kama oil refinery gu enye dwuma. Ti say dan warehouse. Na warehouse no so dan no. Ankran ekoto oil fab wechire ba no. Tanks na wo ho no mo de begum. Ana ban tri mo dinti. Workers near demonstrations say dwuma bi enkoso wo. Na ban so okokoto oil fab wechire wo so ukoto bi ba. Se wo so ukoto bi ba dia. Eti enso oil na e tanks na wo ho no. Won't di bibegu ma yen ankran do mu di egu mu na to di egu mu bi ba na ban trim o di nti ono apel companies were outside aw ko fe from no ba no da begu mu age hu steady na we kese asori aka kire sa ba wo trim o di ono Mahmoud ba umia eno ti sa tanks na egu ono e yo mine dia
okay
so di begu mu e benyesika ankran di no mu di begu mu no e ko mu botum ba ya de your man adia ye na wotu ayeka eti feli begu ye tanks no because say turn enya dwuma bi machines ni nyina gu asese that's all that sorry na se ba ko bia ba be gumu a what here bo ma ba so I don't know man can I den sa
kwagu
I'm in too much you kwagu word freedom day so what media freedom day at the word freedom day so what no can confirm ka kire
yeah
ma ye bre
no kan boy na mo ko hwe na asem
ye bumo
eti kwagu say amanfo e dey free ho ya bomu ana se penin aya
entity en waje ditimo den adom boni sika wase no ho awodi kogu wonu ankata the times mo magigi hu sika die no ada na no dia wonka
ye ka won say about private BDC said egu omutage na ban age dia kogu aban ankasa tank
nu aye dai
ntimi enkomende
aba afedi katata afedi aban wo ya de pa afedi nyansa na eba adwon papa eba
etimi emo na baso
it why dai so minor die teto protect no wanye afedi wo peso ye nti emo abato o responsibility no as a president
but nyi mo na msisi bo nipa na baso and so ye
wanye edi an waje wadwuma etesa wo ye waje ya to ho wonye na fe wo ye adwuma no ye ti ko school wo se wo ko school what ne fie sa na fe wo hu nyanta se wo ko school a o se mo abaso sa fe de wo hu nyanta se wo ko school
at least one ka say on ti obia at least
mama ye bread do ama mo tantan we
o ye adwuma one ka say yen ti obia
pacho o kata na mem
every myself
nti membe
pacho yen
membe me
Africa time ni sa so enti edi ade na ban na ye do you know amount of money I say e wo to na ye adwuma ema workers enya adwuma ye engineers wo ha na last 2 weeks engineers wo ye demonstrate so madwene mpokura retard ye ka so bi adwene retard a ne knowledge na wo no a wo use ne yie no e say na engineers wo nyina adwene retarded omo nya adwuma bi
kwakwa you tell me say
ana mo be demonstrate say aban ne ma to nya adwuma
okay
to no kwa nya adwuma tanse o ha edo yida be gu abra kwankwa bi atumi de tank edo yi ni bi kokum no na ababo na baso tanse gu ho kwankwa bi akoto ne o yire ba o de be gum aban ne to ndo mfa be gum wa bie wono nkwa no company o de bi gum ton die eje ho fa so die no eno ne nde wo mu tse wo de bi kogum a o bo na bato a ada na mom ya bresa enti na kufu ado wan tete apo no ana wo se wo man no man na sai tan a wo de ye hwie to engineers wo say enya dwuma machine se wo nyina isolate o de ye hwie ko ho enre ya na mo so mo ba boa ama na sa ba ye dwuma o be bo na bato wa boa o ka te command sugar factory within 6 months ba ye dwuma influence ni aye dwuma
we nya nti de ka say we are looking forward say what do say be yo
masa and we looking forward to what be ye ade wo hu bi pen no and we ka to be ye
say obey na so onye nti de nso ye wa ha no
did kwa to bona baso don't say that
ko we sure
yes what's what be ye o ka to command education for 20 ya na maka to say on to me nje am no na that ya if you see any why atiki na ba me no tia no say every constituency bia ba o mian na do say om the $1 million be ko om de boy
etu wonyi ni say o metimi
na wogidi wutu wogidi wonyi wodi akufa adudi oni ba o mian do omudi
etu wonyi ni
o be no ha papa wutu we for di akufa adudi ba o mian dia o be me wanwa ageni ha ana ba o mian ka fo akọ China ko nyeti ka bebebe bi so de ba sano hydro omudi be ya kwan ni nyama bebebe ko ma sika omudi wo ho enya de keto a sika na bedu
se no omudi wo ho
on ko show mo airport no mo to santen tonyom omu ye media wo omu ye press conference akete mu come say no sikara ba so tia on kasa anya ba we ade a obi wish wishful thinking o so tia say de o ko ye na wo be kan e wishful o wish think be yi ba yi omu ni sa na le gino de say adwuma
ko ku say o man
me na me say o man no obi e dia konya say nsa aba o miani kuro muslimfo o mo pensuo e de egu o mu no ba ye so o ka so be one village one dam ama wo otumi aye eno atia no tiku daba e bo o mochi ta mamu na sei o ma sei Ghana ti so di Ghana ye hwe nyi o ti e bo o ma ba so ana na mo ye bresa mo na mo ma ne nkoso
kwaku ni say are you saying say empenifo nso ye ade ne ye ka
ede na wa ye
no mo ye nurse san eni kwase
ede na wa ye ede na wa ye to bo na bato wa ye den
say at first near 2 years kegu baabi esie ye fam wo ankrankra tanksim ya bo aka ho asema empenifo asesa ede aba begu baabi o se ede egu a enya de oji se o se bo ma ba so
o se na so ka choro mse o modun so mo ye ni to mo ke so mo nye ni ye
okay
so bo na ba so na ehwe tika ha say enkola tenuas ai kogun kofo kakra bi buto na so odwene wakọ o maka choro se o ese enche bia to e ba ba ye adwuma na wote ana obo ma baso eno so wishful thinking ka ta wishful thinking o dwen o wish say bibi betumi ayiye enye wadwene enye onim de o ti hye bibi anwu ho e se sa de no tumi effective
so you there
ne nsuo to a
okay
ana o di se sa de ne beba sa de mamu wi eno bi no mo ye na meboa na se nsuo to gu so a eno eni ha eno mo ka se 3 months time IMF ba 3 months time IMF ba the last year they start IMF meboa oh ebeba at the end of the year last year ebeba oh by May April meboa mo ka se March by April this year na hwen
say ko May 29
meeting no kure so mo konko ye na for mata kwaje betia bebe tabi na ewiase mo na mo MPP fo timu ayo mo de mo person bebu o man ni ye
we sure
se mo bo mo chi te se mo to ma say Ghana the affiliate na o to me sit up no mo ye adwumaden e bo Ghana
okay
you know ka say hwe unemployment rate e wo menwa emrante ne maba wa enye adwumanye solo ma de so buto me no tie hwe nsu aya se no na mgalam se ho me no tie hwe asase aya se no e wo galam se ho MPP for boys de gumu no mutu yes aso da for na political for gumu no mutu na sen ka ma ho yawo because e menya kakra no nyi nsuo no e kakra onya asase kwa na de ye yo no bae enso ne nipa kakra bi gold mafia for e tudi ye jenko for excavators ye bio man ga pade e no and the sen ka
okay
yes will be a responsibility say it a set times ago we dey see times they go you know tama we over dey
say for storage
nice for storage na so on kogu na for we nyansa dia kogu ma what e mo abaso
say Anthony Kwakubwa
ma say dey so na wokai
ya ben shira average Ghana Statistical Service
make asa say okay nyema bia say me respond to
enu abe na woman
government in power say e kan we hu nyansa ni a obi a wokasa otie nyansa ni eye obi a wokasa otie enye obi a wokasa obekoto ho asa akiro na waka kyo say ye nti obi a nyansa ni obi a se bibi ko na enko yie na woka obeko intem akohwe e de ato yie nye obi a se woka asem na ebia opese oyeye ompo ana bibi eno ye mfre ni nyansani nye obi a okase emfa no ho nye obi obeka cha se ye di enam na ewie na aka dompe nye obi obeka cha se afia me kotena ase a menya hwen ye no mesua nyansa enti wo de ma me biom na me ba be ye nyama ye wo ye de na wusua lessons ben na wusua in opposition. What did you learn? But this is someone this is a government that I can say a listening government. Na eno na wo bom abaso a eye omoya no. A government that wo can be bia ohwe no ogie hu adwuma na ode to ho ye. Okay, I said another can say you should be citizens and not spectators. Yeah. We are citizen na ade na ye ya wo bon abaso say oh napo why ade because obi wo ho a ye kan po na ontie ye. Your time no mpo na munya your friend say crude no be mpo aka mambo de BAC. When we are taking over power, there was no crude for you to even store some. There was no crude. We had to turn things around. Sana ya dani na ma ene to be kotobi na BCA but to me supply. That is why those tanks were empty in their time. Because omo nibi no mo di bi mpo esie ba de etumi aye saa de na Ghana fu wo bo na ba so ma Ghana fu ehu adwuma o ya wotina ha na wo ka say den na ye den nyansa na ewo we mu
okay
afu ye bibia ye ndwen daache ho if someone takes a mile at least ye mpo na ba so no ye no double na po why ya de nyame hraw wa chese wo ye penimpa wa chese ye ma wadwuma wutumi som ye
we waste
na ni gbasefo edie omutumi mba no mo be ye hwe
na po you waste right now na ye fa command so betwem
I can't alternative
yes, I'm a quite BM never MPC Mujibadi enjoy so Adom TV for comments ego your Facebook page one them says she Adom TV neja comments beje ya can the amount go me shall say free one them Ghana Statistical Service on unemployment what ye mem see a case city per 1.7 million a year unemployed offer a ma 4 emu 3 enye adwuma ba ko pe na adwuma
I'm crying them so my charitable to Abayan. My charitable. Statistical service, boss 1 hour point. One penny on. Okay. Into us we charitable to the party. And then Abayan. Oh, no, Debbie. What's why MPP? 1 point in this in its own quarter. Oh, Debbie. Papa ni MPP.
Me name so NPP.
Me na make catch up
MPP.
When
you can't be member of MPP. Not an MPP.
Is it because
they be appointed me some quarter now? Oh. They be me buta to Kokuwa be appointment.
You can't be member of MPP.
Or you can't be member of NPP.
No catch it.
But you can't be member of NDC.
Huh?
Wouldn't make card.
One appointed no.
There be is it because an appointment is
appointed. Or appointed it in his own quarter now.
Ekufa don appointed OSP.
Justice Kwesi and NPP ni. Chief Justice.
Why the constituency secretary?
Chief Justice.
Yes. Hey. And I know one. They know one of you voter again.
Massa.
By do check.
Some can you. And they can hold you on.
And them sorry. Just do check.
Onye Chief Justice.
That's why
Onye Chief Justice.
Am I MPP?
Onye Chief Justice.
And to me,
Shout out to no NDC ni.
Me name so NDC.
Yeah, bisa question. I know they won him.
But
the president appointed at that time.
The catcher will say,
oh, David.
Sir, Papa, we
want to say,
Professor, no, we're charitable to MPP. We will say, Matria,
yeah,
2 years, Juma.
The baby, we ma for 3 years, Juma,
Copenhagen, Juma. 4 years, Juma. But I'm for issue, no. And you know, correct. That means we 10 and 3 years, Juma.
Yeah.
We 20 emu be 6 years Juma.
Yeah.
Ghana. Fan trasa out no aka no wa compressor no. Nti everyone is so.
Eti emu mai.
On fa to yi nipa 100 da. The ma 100 da.
Okay.
E bi nipa be 50 years Juma. Ko de working. Be analysis na woman. That means we nipa a ma 100 da. Nipa be 35 years Juma.
Yeah.
Tan to memwa. Ko let's why we 2019. Next year, most of them are imposed to home. Next year, 2020, young call home. Mom year 2021, 2022, or mom baby 2020, young call home. And that's not working. And that's not working. When you are, I'm not a assistant physician. I'm quite demonstration last week. One doctors. I quite demonstration is imposed to home. Last year, I did say last week. Yeah,
because figures na wunyi ni ana.
Figures ni menyi ni two packages at 1.8. Ini pa 30 million no. Ini pa 1.8 pe na nyi mo Ghana. Baby we.
30 million ni nyina nye
aban pay rules so. Aban the pay rules so. Ini pay wo so a wotu oboka. Enu 800,000.
Yeah.
So me say.
Yeah. Around 600 700,000.
It is a new 800,000. Private sector say na befa.
Say private sector they be a fachi amba.
Then I'm thinking the private sector craft for 2 billion and not 3 million. Now omo attain at the age of 18 and above. Any number 17 million to 18 million.
Okay.
Now how do we justify say any power 1.6 na nyejuma?
Okay, so for example, a man dey say ye wo ma omuye bojua.
So ene kura online kura sa abai e ma bi ton ade wo online maybe say one hu nipa no say
one be
oh yeah
most of them na wo online ni na edupu nkofo eh most aje kakra bi na unti to bi aka twa so oto ade oto TV wo online what's in this kana kwa enema ne mai unti bi da unti to bi so oto ade online what's in this kana kwa na say kura na ifo kura be ka kire say cyber crime for na be ka kire say enwe hu ye what's enema unti am be ka we that on set ya e ba na no so no nim because na mai no tan ya o ma ne nyina atenti no obi tata na nyina ate ho na be pa kire no nkofo ye online egi no kura ofo ewo ayi social media no ogi a se 20 cities na begia na 70 cities nkofo be bredu po o de no e de adwuma ko ka chi kore ene ma mu tantanti onim pa na kofa ne ma e be ton wo ka omu nyina table no ma butubutu no o ka jate
drag lane.
Yeah, they will catch it, but I'm torn road. Okay. Once one of two thoughts I didn't table
top one.
Correct.
Ya cut table in go.
Most of them.
Most of them come.
A good. Stores no be bregu. Na we ya foko dem. Me see uni ha. And ye nwan we yi niam a port. Minister of Finance be ka say duty omunya no ho no ekofom. If you say omuntumi nyi containers. Containers dodo no mu yi no. Say so omuntumi nyi bi. Unte. It is a containers ne kofo mo nyango fo adwuma na ego ntu no mo pin kofa ne ma uni hana nansen ya sa importers and exporters no ameka say first no mutumi container 1200 say take no mutumi ni ede na meka sa asem we akwasi ana mutumi ni di osu hunu de me pa kire na wo ba wo no eni o ma we technical things eni ma nkete ate o enkofo adwuma egu kofo titemu kofo wagu banks more than 300 to 400 banks and savings and loan so ba ku bia kwa na fe nipa 5 wa calculate nipa do do tipu wa mo dwuma
banks 400 maybe
microfinance ne savings and loan the banks ni bomo na nko be 400 no mgu no mebwa
banks 400
me see savings and loan microfinance and banks
what's a banks 400
there me say na ni nyina bank okwa ase savings and loan ni microfinance you can nyina bank mebwa
Etuka savings and loans.
Almost 400. Yes.
And securities for
banks and security. Yeah, then banks no mugu banks. I'm say 8 as I say. Yeah. And no mugu savings and loan about 385.
Okay.
So ba ku biya akura na fe nipa 5 wa. Calculate nipa do ye yo mo.
Ase nyomu nyina na etifsese.
Opa adwuma mo.
O by be 8 million.
What create adwuma ma wo mo?
For example,
banks. And for one inka, one who say ye na dia wan adwuma for ye.
O banks no mo kabo.
Tire me bi, one ye fa.
Some banks no mo kabo mo no.
Mo kabo mo na ye.
For example,
omo yi omo nyina de no mo ta ko fa MPP fa para check for do nkogu ho.
Debi.
Na dole wo commercial.
Debi kwagu.
No ye adwuma wo UT bank. Na dole o commercial bank.
Ntu hu obi yi na dia ta fa no.
Binim wo ko kokomlemle Unibank. Yes, CBD ya. Most of ladies na them say no mo ye tellers. Virtually say obo nyina kra wo.
Wana ka tell.
Me Canada, me ni wo mo one my bank
wana ka tell wo.
Since 2016.
Wana ka tell wo.
You better go bank since 2016.
You are joking.
Njo no ho no ho
ani. You are
joking. Na ni pa do you want
me to as about me say enyo mo nyina na tifie.
Na nti dodo na tifie no so e.
Yes, na ye betimi aka no ase.
Na nya na me kan.
But the fact say enyo mo nyina so na tifie.
Me ka to ni pa do do say nipa 5 and ye wo madia.
Since what you to say enyo mo nyina na wo fie. But do na wo fie.
Me ntra hanka say omo nyina na ye wo madia. Me tu ni nipa do do a elutu wo mo jobs. E what sa banks na egu no.
Okay.
Let's am guy. Allow TP.
Okay.
Me ti nipa do do a omo elutu wo madwuma na banks na egu no. Wonu nipa do do. Am ka to say bank bi akora nipa 5 kwa na ye wo madia. Calculate nipa do do ye wo madia. So dem ba tell.
Okay.
Na we yi wo nyina di aba betrafia. Ufi say unemployment na be cost na say be kofo. O create adwuma say napkofo. O mo adwuma ye. Amnante awie university NSS. Fe ni pound na o tauto ho. Ya fe ni pa 100,000. Ya fe ni pa 120,000. Ebi enya adwuma no. Ebi ware, ebi awo. O ma ko do school. Why you madi? Enfim ba afi ba kokora na wo antu o ka na say yi wo madi. O muti kata aka wo. Odwene Ghana for. Odwene Ghana for. Nti akwasi eya mo maye nye Yeah, mum ye hypocrite. And you, Yankopon Fia won't say any. Badwam is the worst government we have ever had in this country.
Okay.
And it is time to say, if a woman who say Ghana, ya bread and ya crack Ghana, they will do a dream.
Okay.
And we will not allow them to destroy Ghana. It is said they will not destroy Ghana, dear chamber. Because John Dramani Mama buy, you know, almost say, or yet market Ghana for pay business. And that's where your market, I can see it. Manko for you be in a cotton on my own. Why did you attack a Cape market? Kotokraba market. Why you do come market? Why you
Atamos?
That's a meeting INDC.
Atamos.
Your mama, your mama, your mama, your market. Your mama, as one market. Your mama, a tough market. Your mama, so them pattern.
But that's the question.
Can you hear? Because on your mama in the sister term nana cast the age one term nana obubu sa you know me I know say term na o dwene Ghana pom say term na aka be na baby apart na ka bia lodo mate eno na kire say wo vision and okosi a trouble gas say trouble gas no be scared the brain
yeah
coverage ni pay adwuma of rate net for doctors for hospitals I would see here, Lagos hospitals. And when I say, oh, vision, that project, no, meaning I'll be trying to hoka. Share a rural electrification at the buy. Or the electricity cool crassing. I got so much library. So child be not be trying to hoka.
Yeah.
But what could you be seen? Now will be dealing with no to tell the Thompson way. Teacher Maya who deal bassa, yeah.
Sir Anthony Kwaku, boy, let us say. We in the NDC are not using EIU report as yardstick to measure non-performance of this clueless government. We are focused to offer better policy alternatives that will lift up the living condition of Ghanaians. The rescue vehicle is on course to save masses from unprecedented hardship. We are going into 2024 elections with mindset of second independent of Ghana. Inshallah, JM Beba. Musa Abatuadedwe Ebai. NDC for ne arrogant dear. Oh, and one of Kwakubuai, Eden. Mame Adwa Kese, another way, Ebai. Kwakubuai talked boldly as if his government and is this something better for Ghana. Stop making noise. Ghana started spoiling from NDC's time. Regina Enchel, Eddie also Eddie Baye, and no. Good morning. NPP's breaking the age agenda is possible only through Dr. Akoto Efrie, the best former Minister of Food and Agriculture. Yao Preko and anyway, Ebai. Deputy Director. Good morning, Akwesi. I don't know why our politicians can't find ways to help solve our problems by only criticizing. Under the NDC, nurses were at home for more than 3 years without work. So Kwakubuan should stop criticizing always without alternatives. Alex Tufo Edwefrey, Hamburg, Germany, and our day. By your comments were such a Adom TV on Facebook. Never comments to Ebeje Yakenkan Edema. Alfred.
Petro Alex Mountain says it was 4 years.
Oh, okay.
We took the backlog of 4 years of nurses of these people.
Starting from when to when?
2013.
2013 to 2016.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fast for you,
this almost they didn't.
2013
Who
to
20. They did. There's a professional unemployment association.
And you're not to teacher.
What can me? So me buy my first. We catch them me. Massa. 4 years. How many employee nurses?
So 2013 to 2016.
Yes.
Yeah, employed nurses.
And I'll tell you. I'll give you statistics.
Okay, give me statistics.
Remember statistics. I want him to understand something. The incompetence of this government, or all Kano, yeah, the best performing, and that they are best performing, no, was the West of IS. Master, when we were coming into power, what can I say? Nurses were always at the nurses and your friends, professional graduates, graduates association. That they were always striking. Say inform with you. That was the brainchild of why we started the NAPCO. NAPCO are all condemned and then let me explain something to you. Yes, maybe crisis nearby and it's Yaman caught but at the end of it all, what happened was you look at people, nkrofo ko pay juma, you catch them say for 3 years experience, bra, for 2 years experience, bra, for 4 years experience, bra.
Okay.
No more famba, no more to me famba. In a year way, your friends say, you decided say, why don't we give these people the chance? No more experience. The strategy was they go in, work a bit, then you go out and go and look for a job. Then you have the experience card at the back of your head. To walk up, baby, I can't just say for 3 years experience and not 2 years experience, bra. Then the new set will come in. They also come and work a bit, get experience and go. So it will be like phases. Into Obia Benya experience kakra. Into Echiuko pay Juma. And yet to say yeah. But with the crisis, by global crisis of COVID, Russia, Ukraine, it spoiled everything. It spoiled the whole program.
Okay.
And it's really derailed us to the extent say it made unemployment for the first time under Areno go over 5%. And let me give you the statistics from 2018. I'm saying, unim most unemployment, the total population as against more workable population in the under 2022.
Okay.
The unemployment rate is 5.2%
of our working population.
Yes, 5.2%. Okay. Now, we're unemployed.
Okay.
Go back one step. 2021 unemployed rate near 4.7%.
A drop here.
Maybe. Well, it's better.
Yeah.
It's a better AE.
Okay.
This is the only time your unemployment rate in equal strong.
Okay.
Everything was under 5% until 2022 I equal 5.2. Or maybe let me start from the other side so that you understand it well.
Okay.
Now, when you take 2013 under NDC John Mahama, unemployment rate was 6.2%. 6.2%. 2013. 2014, 6.52% unemployment. 2015, 7%.
Where is source, Ben?
Go to Statistical Service. Google it.
Statistical Service.
No, Google it. You'll get it. On a yearly basis. Yes.
Statistical Service.
On a yearly basis.
Okay.
I did the homework.
Okay. No, I just wanted to say that
you can
be
yes.
full on.
Yeah, on Statistical Service.
Okay.
On a yearly basis, you get a percentage rate.
Okay.
2015, 7%. Under John Mahama, 7%. That is their best performance. Unemployment in 2016, they call 5.6. That is actually their best performance, 5.6. Because social 6.2, 6.5, 7%, 5.6. Now, when you go under Nanado, the first thing, I started employment, all these other things. Unemployment rate dropped to 4.22%.
Okay.
4.22. When you go in 2018, it went up a bit to 4.28% in 2018. Then you come to 2019, it came down to it went up to 4.32%.
Yeah.
2020, 4.6%.
Okay.
2021, 4.7%.
Yeah.
And the worst performance under Nanado, 2022, near 5.2%, which is even better than the best performance of NDC in 2016, 5.6%. And if I know me say, we are the worst performing government.
2016, 5.53%. 2016. 5.53%, maybe not.
5.6.
Yeah, but I think 5.53%.
That's what I got from the distance.
One I'm away.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, fancy 5.3.
5.53.
5.53. That's why they rounded it up to 5.6. 5.53 and 5.6. Inti Yenfan Pool say 5.5 in Boa.
Okay.
It's worse than the better part of worst performance of 5.2%. Our worst performance is 5.2%. What now what catch and say young government cannot look after this country well. And all this happened. The rice came out of COVID, Ukraine, AAC. So unemployment, our focus, and if you remember very well, Finance Minister can say the public sector cannot employ again. So our focus now went on the private sector. How do you empower the private sector to bring in more employment?
Okay.
How do we empower them to make sure say employment rate, your employment rate, employing growth, and that was what we were focusing on. This government is of a government. So still your best employment AE was 5.6.
Okay.
Your worst under the 4-year reign of Mahama was 7%. And no who catch him say he's a better option. And now Obawa within 4 years, I'll bet you be Papa Magana for. I say you fire one drink.
Okay.
Then you who say this government or the government under Mahama can never, ever do anything right.
Okay,
because on yeda.
Yes,
onto me yeda.
Okay, yes.
Who where obefa so a okotina mo na says ya won say ya expand the economy no. You know the economy has expanded.
Yeah.
All but e be bring it so sa. Oh so because their oja no we've widened it to the extent say oba he is now going to sit down and ask say hey now where by the time we 4 years need.
Okay,
we need a continuation.
After me clear way in 2015 where your Ministry of Health website.
Ministry of Health.
Yes.
Look at Statistical Service.
Ministry of Health.
Listen, I'm talking.
Press release. Ministry of Health recruit 4,799 nurses. And these are the breakdown.
That's 2015.
Yeah.
And to announce 2013 and Penipa.
Registered midwives.
Na 2015 and Penipa.
1,000 midwives. Registered midwives, 1,268. Registered community nurses, 56. Registered general nurses, psychiatry, 507. Health assistant clinical, 321. Registered general nurses, 2,389. Community health nurses, 258. Sum up to give you 4,799.
For 2013.
Now, 2015
so far, or try 2013. We will several ones. You know, it is a one-off. Go to 20. Go to 2016.
2013 and Fenipa.
2014 from 2013 to 2016.
Say if within a long haul, over one, over 1,000. Why are they?
Over the one.
Within a long haul, over one. Oh, Massa. I didn't know why you have. I'm on floor. No, all this statistics by, so I need to respond to it. I didn't know so much. I am with ya. When the arrogance I can a woman,
one democrat and the Mugen,
the arrogance, Mugena, Esono, and now we can't say Siano. You don't want to listen to anybody apart from yourselves. Monkwana mo nyansa, monkwana mo, and don't put a statistics in chese, but your cost service on the website. Now share employment rate, and tell me that I'm lying. Because they can't read. Some will say, one will say because they can't read, they don't even do their homework before coming on set. Because if Naka Omunima, Naka don't come and sit here and say, and this MPP is the worst performing government when it comes to unemployment.
Because even as of 2018, you got 2019, your backlog say 8,000 year government be clear.
Thank you very much.
And from 2018 up to 2020, your backlog say 8,000.
Yeah, clear. From your government.
From 2016, I have from 2018.
Yeah, but 2016, yeah, but 2017.
Well, to me, I'm employed.
Yeah, but 2017.
In 2017,
I started employee.
And I say
2017.
From 2019, Bepem, I want to be for net support.
Don't forget to say.
2019 be permanent.
Yes. Well, check. I feel 2019.
Even last time. Master, go and check. Go and check.
Check. Check it.
Now we're checking to know.
We 2000. Carl, oh hell.
Ebia wa abonti na won catch obi say na wa ye be good wo de ya oya wo de wo fa say wa boy ya
okay etibe da say
adan me busa anu a o se ofa na 2019 for krafe na ya bie portal
say me catch say wa bon aso say wa portal na o say o na check say na wo fa say na bon because you bie portal na go and apply why should you say obi wo ya no so ti mami wie we hu wo kanu. You read what say over 8,000 people were employed within 2017. Backlog. You come and employ 1,000 people. In the 4 years, we employed 1,000. In the first 2 years, we employed 8,000. 1,000 in film, 7,000 plus. Was it under us? And don't forget, say, almost time no so no. Now, almost restricted from going to nursing training because they cut the allowances. So people were not going to nursing training.
People were not going to nursing training.
They were not going. Yeah, we restored the nursing training and it made people start going to nursing training because that was when someone who was getting their daily bread or Mubano, because of the incompetence, because mu name she no, ma bong, a bong. Into mucha, nesting training mu, allowance mu, na reduce number no. Into backlog na na was even under time mo number na reduce no. Na buy no, ye be restore na for start say omoba. Into omoba no, say ye place over 8,000 backlog. And Sunday yaba. Into when I tell you 4 years now, I'm talking about numbers. I'm talking about the insignificance of 1,000 as compared to 8,000 plus. Those are the numbers I'm looking at. And that is what I want.
So a big deal with this unemployment as of
now, what we are doing is we are expanding. Once you open your economy up, you create more employment. You create the opportunity for other individuals to open health facilities, for government to expand on its health facilities near there. And it be na year agenda 111 near there. No? Even if you finish 10 by next year, at least it's a start. To employ some of these unemployed, And so the strategy and the idea of this government, they say, expand the economy. Now, crop down. Crop maybe a health post be war. Say, Fantiaqua. Maybe a health post be in Honambi. And so all these people will be employed under the your friends saying under the healthcare program. They are opening other facilities, expansions of other facilities. Our focus is not just about opening, but about expanding. Facilities are either space that why I say to me expanding in you see the expansion works are other places you see what is going on. For not in what they say the whole maternity block since a champ on time. Yes, why obian to me. President Nado is doing it, and ebeye fe ewo community ho. Into all these things are So when you sit down and you condemn such a government, our open mind to make sure that we solve the economic problems. And you heard Dr. Baumia, your friend said last 2 days, was it yesterday also, University of Pentecost Center, no? Or say, politics should be politics about ideas. What I'm bringing on board to solve the problems of people, but not politics about propaganda and names calling and insulting. Well, yes, I need to say you don't have anything to offer.
But I see, Alfred Thompson. Your time. Why, Mr. Rada, by your time. Me and Shui, Emranda, in every job for enthusiasm. Okay, yes, I'm a check but quickly, my Ministry of Health website BM. Ministry of Health Recruitment Portal for Nurses and Midwives, May 2023. The Ministry of Health has announced that it has received financial clearance to recruit 11,226 degree and diploma nurses and midwives who have completed their 1-year mandatory national service and are due for permanent posting to practice as professional nurses and midwives. So it means that this year you employ 11,226.
We the question year crowd no to me.
11,000 bet me they compare 1,000. Yeah, now 11,000. Yeah, but 8,000.
Yeah, crowd bet me apply. Nyato mo ye January you say no, no be to me apply.
Debbie.
E wo year we are bet me aye.
Say any year be
but I say
I employ 11,000. 11,000 plus 8,000, 19,000.
But you say you fan nurses. Ewo 2016, 2015 and when year 2013. Share the
figures now there.
The Ministry of Health for more data.
Okay.
Yeah, Ministry of
2019.
Ministry of Health.
Yes.
Website.
Yes.
Yeah,
2016.
Okay.
Non-nurse population region by region.
Okay.
Ashanti region. Non-nurse for 8,572.
The whole of Ashanti region.
Yes.
As of 2016.
Yes. Okay. But 2019. The same. We are 2015. In 2016.
NDC page. NDC no I confusing. NDC page.
Let's say 2015.
Let's talk about something better.
2015.
Okay.
8,572.
The whole of Ashanti region. 2015.
Yeah.
Nurses are now.
In 2016, a move call 9,182. Into year day 605 in the count.
For the whole of
Ashanti region.
Okay.
Over nurses, bravo. 2015. No population now 4,006.
Okay.
But over 2016, 4,629. In tier day 574 in the count. But on them pattern.
Okay.
And total breakdown
for the whole regions.
For the whole regions.
The 10 regions.
Yes, 2016. 2016. Now you were for the whole region in now 48,939.
The whole Ghana.
Ghana, but 2016 it moved to 52,605.
Yeah, true.
Okay, to say that
and almost 7,000.
Monfa breakdown.
2016.
2016.
Yes, almost 7,000.
2016 election.
Massive 52,000. Makwati 48.
Okay, so in sir. But we can say
almost 4,300.
From 7,000 to 4,000.
4,300.
From 7,000 to 4,000.
4,000.
7,000.
4,500. Almost 4,300.
It's not true. Even the best time on my employee 1,000.
Over 2014 and 2013.
Yeah.
2013. The whole Ghana, not net population, 2,000.
It can be true.
Say,
it's almost the 50,000 Abeka next population. Since 2013, almost the 50,000.
Say, Anthony,
what's it the whole Ghana? Next population was 2,000. In a movie hall,
make it
52,000.
Make it
2,000, oh boy.
Make it 40 something thousand.
They say, what's it the whole Ghana 2013?
Me say 2016 total ni na.
What can 2013 total?
Me back 2013 then I me back so
2013.
And I say 52,605.
Massa.
And
sana what say?
2015 48,939. What somewhere about 4,300 and something and then the Babeka home. But over 20, over 20,
yeah, over
2014.
Kwaku has nothing better to say.
Let's move on.
Richard,
total
number,
where 11,000.
Why are you confused?
11,000.
Say no more elections. On could gather results. Machine who crash here. Elections who gather results. Machine who crash here.
Liter of fuel in Kenya is 179.16.
Respond to your fake data. Your fake data.
You approve it. You approve it. Say from 2013 to 2016. Figures don't say
fake figures now. They are more.
Liter of fuel in Togo is 700. That's 40 Ghana. Liter of fuel in Ghana is Liter of fuel in Ghana is 12 cedis, 49 pesos, and it's in abundance. Fact. We know things are hard. It's hard everywhere. NPP's government is working for us all. Francis answer anyway about. We say, good morning. Please let Alfred understand that actual fact, because we are sick and tired of your numerous excuses today.
What excuse?
They will be like Ukraine and Russia war, blah 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 blah. Okay. Becky, don't call answer also Eddie Ebai. We say good morning, Akwesi. I'm watching you live from Kwanta in OT region. My name is Masawood Hamza. Because it's something you, the media, has not been doing to Ghanaians. It's that from 2012 to 2016, there was no employment. Mepacho, ya correct it, and yes, sir. Kwaku boy is confused. I can say, let him rest.
Very much confused.
Mame Adwa Keswa Kese. Alfred, yanko.
Massa, when say, when they went to their election machinery room, almost the figures started saying, "Omo dey ba." Echi yedu ho no, almost the IT guru, no betena ho. Nansia, omo chairman betena say kasa no. No say, or say, your friends, a machine no even omunya 2 regions, spend a machine crash here. All the results are omunya no on his leaked video. So okay. IT director no almost suspect so MPP ni ade e bia we MPP card bearing member mumu na mo smart. It tells you say these people don't know figures. See ayet na ha na almost sending the figure. We say to papa so. Because he didn't read before coming. When I was giving you statistics, it was flowing. Because woko your friend saying statistical service website e go pefe mobile the unemployment of NDC and the unemployment
of Minister of Health to them.
We share a friends and they are already says here. Or say almost are in 4,000 plus can home in that time 2013 time almost by the whole Ghana next population 2,000 plus 2,000. Oh, one thing. What say now? What's the man?
We did 2030.
My employees so much nurses. Why employing so much nurses? Not 2016 election year.
Okay.
In a necessary cost strike like no one's a business. Yeah, by no. She time you employ the nurses. We employed over 8,000 nurses. No more time. No, yeah, register stage. Yeah, no. We show say we employ 8,000. That's why I said that their statistics is next to nothing. Because why educating crop over here? Emphasize 10,000. Now we employ 8,000 per. Have you worked? Even before, even recent, the recent, the one
that we took for 4,000.
Mami Kassan,
also no any deduction from
1,000.
Yeah, esino. Say backlog here, a
backlog bay,
and any almost 5, any available number.
Have you checked? It says 8,000 crown more kind of crown. Or what me a recruit or more.
On my form.
On form way. What's it?
Even on my portal, now he's telling us some information.
What's it when you 2023? No, what's it? What's it?
Nothing shows a
say 2013. I cannot
2023.
Yes,
almost so many account for
11,220.
I used to mean to your net for quite to mean to your mocha.
One day, next day, when now he's telling us to be a